Buddy, how we doing? Welcome back to another live stream. Kind of wild day to start off the morning here. We got a decent amount of news coming through. So, last night we saw absolute wildness with oil. So, remember, I do have that Oxy and Exxon strangle going into this week. So, Oxy right now, it's up like 6.6% in the pre-market over here. So, that's pretty solid. That could be a decent hit on the strangle. Now, I don't know if I'm going to hold it or sell it today. No idea. I still think oil is going to continue to trend up over the next couple of weeks. You saw Warren Buffett at a boatload to Oxy. We got AMC over here, popping up a little bit, up about 1.4% in the pre-market over here. But Bed Bath and Beyond with news that Daddy Cohen's taking a big stake. I think it was like 10%. 9% of the company. And he's like, yeah, you guys aren't doing it right. I'm going to come in there, get a little board seat and make some suggestions. And hopefully you guys listen and fix your issues. Now it's up 83% in the pre-market right here. So the power of Ryan Cohen, man. Ryan Cohen comes in, buys a stake, announces it, makes some suggestions, stock rips. Like, this is kind of wild. Let's see what happens with it today, though. It's very possible that if Bed Bath & Beyond starts to get bid up, like a lot more, like in the market hours, AMC and GME could go wild just because we've seen it happen before. Remember, Bed Bath & Beyond did that little share buyback after their earnings and then just went absolutely insane after hours. So I think that was up like 70-80% in the after hours. It's a similar move right here, but then AMC and GME followed it. But then the next day, everything started to get knocked down. So let's just see what happens with this. This is getting pretty interesting, but how's everybody's weekend? You guys do pretty good? Yeah, I know, Johnny. Oxy's doing decent. There's a huge short position on BB. It's been one of those stocks. Like, it's BBBY is like second tier, and then like AMC, GME are like top tier. Oh, what's up, Rance? How you doing? Yeah, guys. If you guys don't mind, as you guys are filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream, make sure you guys engage with the content. Help get this out to some more people. Let's see what we get today. It's gonna be a fun day. Oh, Grandpa Barney's having some issues. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, everybody keep Grandpa Barney in thought. I didn't know he was doing bad. That's not good. Let's see here. 114, but no. BBBY is up 82% right now. This is insane, though. Good morning, sir. What's up, Junior? How you doing, man? All right, people. So, SPY's coming up here a little bit. Where's oil and stuff? I got to see this today. So that's kind of what I'm going to be watching today. Oh, a little pop here. So oil stocks, Oxy, Exxon, just kind of keeping an eye on those strangles, seeing how they're doing. And then defense stocks. You saw Citadel and BlackRock over like the last couple of weeks start to cover their shorts in defense stocks. So Lockheed, that's not good. Those stocks have been going absolutely insane. Chip makers, maybe again, chip makers are usually fun. If the SPY starts to come back to life, it's at this 200 EMA on the 5-minute in the pre-market over here. It was coming down pretty. Ooh, I got to extend this box. Extendo box over here. Hold on. So the SPY's just kind of been trapped in this little range over here for like, for like a very long time. Let's see. I want this right here. And it's just having issues trying to get out of it. It comes up, and it's knocked right back down. It comes up, and it's knocked right back down. So, let's see what happens with it. I think SPY still has some more downside left. But if today we start to see this breakout and a run up of a test of this range over here, again, it's at 430 in the pre-market. This upper level right here is like 430, 450. You could see a nice little pop. But let's see. So AMC right now up about 0.97%. Let's do a quick little Ortex update. How come a CEO can't just request a share count? Well, that's the issue, because he can do it with a proxy vote, which we've done before, but we've seen many times. And if you listen to any of the interviews or the testimony that Wes Christian's given in any of the cases that he's tried, they're like, yeah, we tried to use those votes on like the share offering votes, or like any sort of like vote that the shareholders are going to like basically explain their thoughts in. And what the proxy companies do is, let's say that they're only supposed to get 100 shares voted on, but let's say somehow there's like 150 shares that get voted on. Well, they just trim off the top and then they report those numbers. Like, it's insane. Like, those numbers are not real. So when you see those numbers, it's like they're just reporting what it should be, not what it actually is. So you need like a third party audit in order to do it. But then how are you going to, because the other issue is that if you get a number of like, let's say it's 1 billion of amount of shares out there. Let's just say it's 1 billion. It'll only be accurate at the time that report is closed. It will change the instant after because there's going to be more shorting, more synthetics created. So even if you get like, okay, it was this here, yeah, it could give us some more information, but we're never going to know the exact number at any given time just because of how jacked up everything is. So 20.84% estimated short interest, 1.48% average cost to borrow, 100% utilization, which is bullshit. 107.32 million shares estimated to be sold short, 125 million shares on loan. You got my first good faith violation on Friday. I feel like a real trader now. SVR Ranch, I've never gotten one. I've never gotten one. Lots of March calls on BBBY2. Could be some real nice gamma incoming. About 32,000 just went in the money. That's like 3.2 million shares at the high. That's pretty crazy. Think about trying my first 1348 today. UVXY or IWM calls. I mean, there is no cross yet. Like there are no actionable crosses yet, Clayton. You got to wait until you like see the cross and you can execute on the cross. Right now, there's nothing going on. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content as you're filtering and hit that like button on the stream. Oh, Spy's coming up here a little bit. Spy's getting a little bit of action here. Ho, 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 ho. Oxy's holding with this. What's oil doing? Oil's coming down a little bit here. Oil's coming down a bit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Oh, I hope you had a nice weekend too. Buckoff.eth. Let's see. Got you. Thank you. Anytime, man. Anytime. So let's see. Spies. Interesting. So Spies got it. I mean, it's down almost like it's basically a third of a percent, 0.31. Needs about $1.32 to go green. Let's see if Amy's gonna get a little action. Yeah, Oxy's coming down. Things are starting to move down a little bit, or oil's starting to move down. So let's check like Micron, DraftKings, Tesla. Micron's down a little bit, but coming up. Para, Discovery. Discovery's kind of getting into that zone where we can start to trade it a little bit. Iska's a little bit red, no 1348 cross yet. Then we have what else? Uber, DraftKings, SoFi. We got a lot of things like that. Yeah. Lockheed, how's this doing in the pre-market? We traded a lot of Lockheed recently. Lockheed over here. It's up a little bit, but it is coming down. Dude, Batman was good. Saw that. I think I saw it. Yeah, so I saw it Saturday. That movie was good. That movie was real good. Just joined Premium 1348 Discord. Quit my job and doing Uber. Marshall. Well, you should probably make a bunch of money first with 1348 before you go out willy-nilly quitting your job. But good for you, man. Good for you. The Moscow Stock Exchange is still down. Yeah, Vix, you got this, bro? Dude. I mean, I've got the oil strangle locked and loaded. I'm thinking it's going to be good throughout the week. Let's just see what happens with it. Like it's holding right here pretty good. I mean, Warren's buying this. I think Carl Icahn sold his last part of his stake in Oxy, but like Buffett was like, nope, buying it. Let's see here. Microvision is moving up over the last month. Yeah, Microvision's just been pretty good. Let's see. Def, the worst Batman ever. Dustin. Dude, you would rank Ben Affleck's Batman higher than... See, I didn't really like Robert Pattinson as the Batman, but I liked the story. It was good. Like the filmmaking was good. It wasn't like that absolute dog poop where they just make everything look too sci-fi and it's silly, which is what I liked. Like I watched Justice League the night before I went to go see it, and I was like, I hate this. This is terrible. There's too much nonsense going on here. When you buy your strangle options, you just select the straddle option. No. I just buy calls and buy puts. I don't do it in terms of like a trade. I just do it. I just like buy calls, buy puts. That's it. I got my strangle on Oxy as well. I'm curious as what it's gonna do today. Yeah, me too, man. I don't know. Let's knock off some CEO hedge fund type. It will be fun. Yeah, I saw that. I heard that at the. Okay. And then you guys were saying TMI was in it, and there was that one scene where like he's just like he's like, "Hey guys, how you doing?" And I was like, and he's like wearing the thing, and I was like, "You guys don't think that?" I was laughing, man. So Spy's trying to move up here a little bit. We got Amy trying to bang its head on the top of this 200 EMA over here. Oxy's holding pretty good. It's doing all right. Putmaster. What's up, man? How you doing? The story was way better than Affleck's? Yeah, it was way better. Doing spoilers? No, I didn't spoil anything just now. I said that one scene where the dude's on video wearing a mask. That's not a spoiler. I'm not going to give you guys any spoilers. And you guys shouldn't either. Everybody go see the movie. Yeah, Bed Bath& and Beyond is having a day. Having it watch everybody start to, like, come in and be like, "It's a distraction." Like, no, this is one of the big boys. It's like tier 2. Like, the short squeeze socks are in tiers. AMC, GME at the top, then Bed Bath& and Beyond is in tier 2. Speaking of oil and gas, KLXE booming. Solid uptrend. There you go, Derek. Luigi. What's up, man? How you doing? Good morning. 1348 Vatos Locos Ferrer. I don't know what that is, but your hair is a distraction. Good. Should be distracting you. All right. GME up 1.18. AMC up about 1.15. Bed Bath & Beyond up 93. This is nuts. This is nuts. I wasn't into emo Batman. Okay, the one thing I didn't really enjoy was like the eye stuff. I was like, just make the mask different. And I was like, all right. But other than that, good movie. Hey, don't you do this to me, pal. With stock splits, how high could UVXY squeeze compared to wait, hold on. UVXY is splitting. That may not necessarily cause a squeeze. GameStop bought Bed Bath & Beyond? No. GameStop did not buy Bed Bath & Beyond. Ryan Cohen personally bought Bed Bath & Beyond. He's an investor. He's not like he's on the board of GameStop, but he doesn't work at the company. You know what I'm saying? So he's the chairman of the board. That doesn't mean he just oversees the day-to-day operations of the company and holds the management team accountable. That's essentially what he does and makes suggestions. He can do that with any company that he wants, though. Yeah, so he bought RC Ventures, Ryan Cohen Ventures, seemingly has bought a very significant stake in Bed Bath & Beyond. What price range rewards us with ankles? Still 20, people. Still 20. All right, so Oxy's coming down a little bit here. Still not at the low, the pre-market over here, but it's coming. SPY's moving up here a little bit. This could get interesting today. Not Ryan, it was an investment firm. Right, I think it was Ryan Cohen's investment firm, though. RC Ventures is Ryan Cohen, I believe. Yeah, he is not management. No. He oversees management. Did you see Rico expose Lou very good? I'm not a Rico fan, but I used to like Lou. I mean, I've been saying it for a while. Like, you got to know what it is and what it isn't. Like, it's a lot of it's just nonsense. Like, here's the deal. Like, I'll say this again. Like, if you know people on the street, cool. That means zero to me. Like, it doesn't mean anything. It's like taking some random dude on LinkedIn's word because he has a fucking LinkedIn account. I have LinkedIn accounts. If I said something wild, are you going to believe me? No. Most people in the financial industry are stupid. They're not that smart. Like some of them in their industry, like the quants and stuff, smart people. But most of the people in the financial services industry are stupid. They're not that smart. They like to think that they're smart, but they're not. You can listen to the things that they say, and they're just not that smart. So when you're like, oh, I know people here, it's like, well, okay, who is it though? Because it's like, who is it? Why are you gonna talk to the one tiny subsection of people who work in this industry that like know something about this and somehow convince them to tell you what's going on? No, they're never gonna tell you anything. So that's why I'm like, the insider info stuff. I've always been like, it's bullshit. Like they don't know anything. Let's see. But yeah, I mean, I'll take a look at that video. I mean, everything has a purpose, though. That's the thing. Everything does have a purpose. Here we go, folks. All right. Oxy coming down a little bit, still up 5.81%, but oil is making its way down 117.82. Oil's holding up a little bit here. It's only up 1.85% right now in the pre-market on investing.com. So SPY down about 1/3%. Amy up 0.84. GME up 0.75. I mean, it's going to be a volatile day today, people. Let's see. It's comments like this that make me love VIX. Dude, I bet they went to class, though. They might have, but what does class teach you? Nothing. Like, I'll tell you right now, finance classes teach you zero. Like, once you know, like, and talk to enough people in the industry, you realize that they're not that smart. Like, I was talking to some people last summer, and I was like, oh, the FTDs and all these like new rules coming out of like the DTCC, and they're literally managing money for other people, and they're like, what? And I'm like, oh my god, like trust me. Like, I hate to say this, trust me, bro stuff. It's not a trust me thing. You just need to go talk to people, and they're like, you'll realize that like, oh shit, they're not that smart, and they don't know anything. Let's see. Watch out, watch BBY outsqueeze AMC. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think it's got the potential to do that. But I mean, Cohen did buy it. Cohen did buy it. Can I give an AMC update on Ortex, please? Yeah, I just did, Steven. But we can do another one here. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out getting this info to some more people. Let's see, 1.48% average cost to borrow. Again, 100% utilization, which I think is it's complete bullshit because there's no way that they would have no shares and charge this low amount of an amount. 20.84% estimated short interest, 107.32 million shares, 125 million shares on loan. All right, little rant time. Here's the deal. We've seen a lot of these big banking institutions, like big banks, financial institutions, start to go after. Oh, all good, Steven. We've seen a lot of these institutions start to come after each other because at the end of the day, it's kind of a zero-sum game. If one institution loses, another one is going to win. So if you see these institutions start to like, they're always going to be hyper competitive and they're always going to worry about their bottom line first. So if you start to see low supply of something, they're going to charge more. So if you start to see AMC specifically right here, 100% utilization, that would suggest that there's very, very low amount of shares in order to get loaned out. That they're not going to charge more for it? No, that would be insane for them. That would be insane. They could be charging, if it was 100% utilization and there was actually low supply, there'd be 5, 10, 15, 20% cost to borrow right now, but it's not. So it's just like silliness. It's just silliness. Did BBBY just get over 100%? Oh boy. Oh, this thing's going on a moon mission. Here we go. Should we buy puts or calls on BBY? I'm not going to touch it. If I were to do anything, I'd probably buy puts, but I'm probably not touching it because the IV is going to go through the roof. Like, I think the implied volatility, like, look at the option chain right now. What's it at? 34 in the pre-market. What are the weekly 34s? What are they? They're not, they ran the chain. They literally ran the chain on BBBY. This thing could actually get pretty nutty. What's the open interest on this thing? And it's not that big for this week, but what's it at for March? What's the float? 95 million. I'm trying to do like some math here. I mean, they're going to add stuff to the chain, but they ran it. Like, this actually could get a little wild. Like, let's check the short interest on Bed Bath & Beyond. This actually can get wild. Hold on. I mean, it already is wild. Shit. 28.58% estimated short interest. Jesus. 34% of the free float is on loan. Look at this cost to borrow, though. It's the same fucking thing. It might squeeze. I mean, this looks dirty right here. There's barely any calls for March 11th. Yeah, it's 40. What's 41%? Which one also ran before AMC? Was it BBBY or BB? Both, I think, ran. Both. No, I think the 920 or 921 is going to be the precursor. If you use that, like the 920 or 921, you're gonna get more head fakes, I believe. But whoa, spy candle over here. Jesus, what's going on here? Utilization only 56%. Exactly. So the utilization is 56% and the cost of borrow is 1.47. So how is AMC's 100 and the utilization is the same? It doesn't make any sense. Following basket swap asset run up to result in run up of AMC and GME across the basket as a trailing indicator 12 hours. Eric, okay, so last time that this happened, it was pretty instant. Like, it was almost instantaneous. Bed Bath & Beyond ran, AMC and GME ran. It's not happening right now. You could see it at market open, though, because if they're screwed in a basket of stocks here with Bed Bath & Beyond, they're screwed. I think Ryan Cohen knows. I think he knows. I don't know how he knows, but he knows something. Okay, so he buys that stake in GME a while ago, and now he's chairman of the board. He's doing all of these things with the company, but now he does it with Bed Bath & Beyond too. Why? Why? It's Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, he sees a potential for a run up, but it just kind of makes your model says 12 hours. But we never see it. Right, we haven't seen this before yet. S3 Partners estimates AMC short interest at 16%. Okay, that's fine. I mean, it's all estimates. We're never gonna have a good number, but this he definitely knows something. Because why? Like, that's the thing. I think the most important question in this entire situation is why? Because, I mean, you can think whatever you want about Marco Hodes and his T0 stuff. He's got some good insight. There's always going to be some good and bad. So when he was talking about Robinhood, Citadel, and Melvin, the question there is why? Why did Citadel give money to Melvin and not money to Robinhood? Why? Why would they do that? Now it's another question of why. Why is the utilization so high? Why are we seeing all of these crazy price movements on AMC? Why are we seeing all this barcoding? Why are we seeing all of these short exempts? But the big one now, why is Ryan Cohen deciding to buy a big stake in Bed Bath and Beyond when he's already got a bunch, but like a bunch of shares of GameStop? He's already got his kind of hands full with this. What it could signify, honestly, is that the GameStop NFT stuff is kind of locked up, ready to go. And he's like, all right, time for something new. He doesn't have to work too hard on it. That honestly could be what it is. But the weird thing about him coming in to buy Bed Bath and Beyond is strange. It's just strange. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just kind of weird. Holy Oxy. Is Oxy coming up or is Oxy getting red candles over here? Oxy's doing good over here. I mean, it's up 6.25% in the pre-market. I mean, I'll see what happens with the strangle at market open. We got about 40 minutes until market opens, people. Amy's getting a little bit of a pop here. Ho ho, 111, Mr. Simon. That's the right question. Exactly. Oil to 180 per barrel. I think it could hit 140. So remember, we've been calling for 120, 130 a barrel. I mean, it hit 130, I believe, last night. I think Brent hit like 135 or something crazy, but it is coming up. So my projection that I've been talking about, I mean, first we were looking at 100, then 110, 120. I don't know. I mean, this is kind of where I saw it like getting to and being like, all right, this is probably where they're going to figure some stuff out because they can't let gas prices get too high. But uh, does this help or hurt AMC? It helps. It helps because here's the deal. A lot of these people like to say that like the stock, yeah, Brent hit 129 last night. Yeah, it's insane. So a lot of people like to say that these stocks don't move together. GME is the play. Not really. We've seen that, like, look at the chart right here. It's just the exact same thing over here. GME and AMC over here. It happens all the time. Sometimes you'll see AMC move more or move up more or move down more. Sometimes you'll see GME move up more or move down more. But at the end of the day, they're gonna have a similar trend over the long term. Similar trend. Now, Bed Bath& and Beyond is another one. Now, there's that, like, meme basket that they're probably shorting through, I don't know what, probably swaps, some sort of derivatives. They're using some weird I don't think they're doing the options chain nonsense on BBBY because there's just not a lot of, like, retail action on it. But they're all linked up somehow. They're all kind of linked up. Now, what they can do is, I mean, this is another thing. You just got to read everything. So that's kind of what I do. It's like I don't care about the person presenting the information. I care about the information itself. So what I did one weekend is I just read Mark Cahodis's Goldman Sachs deposition on Overstock and the naked shorting stuff because I just wanted to learn more about that situation and just see what was said. Now, there's one section of that deposition where they talk about if you're down on a short position, what can you do and to like get yourself out of it? And there's like some derivative strategies that you can use. One of them is if you're down on a bunch of stocks, you can package it in a swap agreement and like ship it off and like have an expiration date for it. So you're good for now and you can figure it out later. So if you're down on AMC, Bed Bath and Beyond, GME, I mean, they're all the same. They're all like the meme stock basket. So they could be doing that. The other thing that I want to talk to you guys about is let me see if I can pull this back up. Is this margin call stuff with Archegos. Yeah, this right here. This right here is wild. So this article right here is from July, but I think this is really important to understand how things work in the overall market. Okay, so this paragraph right here is one of the most important things that we have. Ready? So this has to do with Credit Suisse and Archegos margin calls. This is really, really important. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I really, really appreciate that. So on February 19th, 2021, the PSR analyst sent out dynamic margining proposal to the head of PSR for internal review, noting that he had made the terms about as tight as possible, yielding an average margin of 16.64%, meaning that that's essentially like the leverage ratio. For every $100 that they're getting, like in terms of leverage, they need to put up $16.74 in collateral, essentially. If applied to Archegos' existing swap portfolio and leading to a one-day step up, meaning they need to deposit more money, of approximately $1.27 billion in initial margin. Now, the other stuff is just kind of not important, but on February 23rd, 2021, the PSR analyst covering Archegos reached out to Archegos accounting manager and asked to speak about the dynamic margining, essentially a margin call. This is a margin call that we're looking at right here. Archegos accounting manager said that he would not have time that day, but could speak the next day. So they literally called them and said, we need to talk about this margin situation that you have here. And they were just like, no, sorry, I don't have time. They're like, no, I'm not going to talk to you about the margin call. The following day, he put off the discussion, but agreed to review the proposed framework, which PSR sent over the next day. Okay, cool. All right. So they sent it over and he's like, yeah, I'll look at it. Archegos did not respond to the proposal. And a week and a half later, on March 4th, 2021, the PSR analyst followed up to ask whether Archegos had any thoughts on the proposal. His contact at Archegos said he had not had a chance to look at, but was hoping to look today or tomorrow. So what does this tell us? One, these big banking institutions have zero negotiating power over some of these firms. And they also have an incentive. Think about this. They have an incentive to let it go. Because as the firms lever up more and you provide them with more leverage, the fees that you are collecting are way more. They're making more money. Depending on if it's shorts, if it's margin, if it's whatever. They're making more money. That's not doom and gloom, though. Like I said in the video last night, that's not like a bad issue that like, oh no, they're never going to meet margin calls, because what happened with Archegos? Like what happened with it? Eventually, the banks got to the point where they saw what was going on and said, oh shit. They had a massive oh shit moment where they were like, oh my God, they have way too much leverage right now and the position is bleeding. So then what they do is, since Archegos was just like, no, sorry, I'm not going to talk to you anymore. We've talked about this a few times, but Archegos and Bill Huang were just like, no, give us more. They were like, no, no, we're not meeting your margin call. Screw you. Give us more. And they were like, all right, cool. But then it got to the point where they were just like, no, we're not doing this anymore. We literally are not doing this. And what did they do? So Credit Suisse is the one holding the position and they can control what happens. And they sold it all. They said no. They cut the cord. They liquidated the position and said, pay up, buddy. We're done. That can happen at any time. So with the amount of short interest that we have on AMC, GME, and where the prices have been over the last year, it's entirely possible that the shorts that were in it back then, some of them are still in it. And we're getting to the point where, yeah, this is taking a little bit longer, but if the implications are larger, then they're going to kind of wiggle around these margin rules. But it's going to get to the point where the banks and the financial institutions need to protect themselves. That's why I always say it's the market makers and the prime brokers. The hedge funds are just kind of the ones that are flickering around and can do a little bit of this nonsense on it. But when you see like those situations play out, like the Archegos, it's a perfect example of what we could be heading towards. It's like eventually it breaks. Yeah, BBBY is insane right now. It's up 107%. How's Oxy now? Where's Occidental? It's all right. Let's see what's going to happen with this. BBBY puts? Not yet. I'm not touching any of that yet. Have I watched Gaming Wall Street on HBO yet? No, but I did watch the Jon Stewart. Interview, and that was awesome. Like the Jon Stewart one was absolutely awesome. Yeah, I'm not touching anything on BBBY to the downside yet. Not touching it. Yeah, Ryan Cohen supposedly bought a stake in BBY. Yeah. All right, folks. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Help engage with the content. Get this out to some more people. It's going to be a fun day. We got a lot of crazy stuff that we got to go towards. I hope you're ready. And again, as you guys are seeing the crosses come through, make sure you guys call them out. Watch Gaming Wall Street. It's crazy. I mean, I will. I got to get around to it, but yes, I do want to watch that. Does it have positive or negative effects on AMC? Are you talking about Bed Bath and Beyond? I mean, it does have positive because they're all linked up together. Like eventually, they will all move similarly. Like a Bed Bath Beyond really starts to get going, like it will push these stocks up. Let's see here. Daddy, woo! Thank you so much for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Do you think Oxy calls are too blown out from Friday? Okay, so I have my oil strangle for this week. So I have a big strangle on Oxy, like a bit like a larger position on it, and then I have a little tiny one on Exxon. The reason being is because I think that oil is going to move big this week. You playing steel today? Shut up, big stout. Steel is up big. I saw it. It's up like 2%. Fuck steel. But I think that Oxy's premium is jacked, but I still think it has room to run. I still think it has some room to go. Like the high in the pre-market here is 63.95. Futures bounce hard after Russia offers conditions to immediate land war Monday. Oh, interesting. Crude oil hit pre-market on peace talks. Trade drip or OIID. I mean, WTI crude's at 118.59. Brent's at 122.44. So let's see what happens with it. Oxy will follow oil. Yes, it will. Hey, man, I make my living with steel. I think that isn't a personal attack. All right. Steel strangle. Honestly, I do like the strangles on stuff like this, like steel, gold, things like that. I am a fan of it right now. You made $9 grand on crude oil in the last 8 hours. Michael, attaboy. I love to see that. Are you trading the futures on it? I don't want to mess around with the futures on it because, like, I feel like I would screw up and accidentally trade something that's deliverable. And then I live in an apartment, so I don't want to accidentally end up having to take delivery of like lots of barrels of oil, if I accidentally hold it to expiration. Because I feel like that shit would happen to me. Like, I feel like I'd accidentally just lose because I don't know what day it is sometimes. That's the issue with me in futures and kind of why I stay away from it. This is the one thing. If I accidentally trade something that's deliverable, and two, I'm bad at kind of knowing what day it is sometimes because I just kind of like, I don't know what day it is. I mean, I could accidentally end up I just don't want to deal with it. You sound refreshed and relaxed this morning. I am relaxed this morning. I am relaxed. I'm feeling good. Feeling good. All right. Let's see here. Oxy, it's your time to shine, buddy. Let's hit a dirty oil play, huh? Oh, yeah, at least that has value. Don't be the guy that wound up with ornamental gourds. What? Somebody was trading like squash? Oh, what's up, Mask Gang? You guys know what to do. Make sure you guys, as you're filtering in, hit that like button on the stream. Help get this out to some more people. All right, let's see what we got over here. BBBY options, I'm not touching it. They ran the chain on it. So there's nothing. If they don't update the chain instantly, there's nothing that you can buy on the call side for this week. We day trading for spring break while everyone gets the pandemic. And yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm going anywhere. So, I mean, I might go to the casino one night. But, like, why? I'm in school. Dude, I hate school. I hate it right now. I like walk around here and I'm like, I literally don't. I just feel out of place. I'm like, I don't want to be here. Let's see. Tim, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. 1685 is a major resistance for us on AMC. Hopefully we can break it and blast above it today. Yeah, that'd be sweet. Do you see Adam Aaron's Batman tweet? Yeah. I mean, I was going to make a joke and just like tag Lou and be like, bro, it's the fucking bat. Because I did it the first time. When Adam Aaron put out the thing, I was like, is this the March 3rd bat signal? And then he put it out again and he was just like, it was the bat signal, but with a dollar sign. And I was like, damn it. Everybody's going to run with this. Hair on point as always. Craig, I need a haircut, bro. I like definitely need a haircut. It's looking good this morning though. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like my hairline's receding a little bit right here. I might need to get some Rogaine. Like this was not here pre AMC. Like you guys have just, I'm like losing hair. I think that's real. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it's just, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm losing hair. I love the lose storyline. Dude, me too. It's fun to watch. It is fun to watch. All right, Amy. Up 1.33%. Oxy flickering around. SPY. Ooh, SPY. It is a 0 day to expiration day on the SPY. So, I mean, if we see some craziness on it, like if we break out above this. All right, hold on. I want to extendo this box a little bit. This other box. I want another box extendo. Where does this have to go? All right, right on that candle. So we can go like right here. Bing bong. All right, why did this not extend more? I should have extended more. Oh, I'm going to have to lock these up too. Hold on. Oh, no. Wait, it's right there. I almost played myself there. That was almost bad. All right. Lock it. Wait, why are these so close now? God damn it. Did I screw this up? All right. Well, let's see. I'm going to play the Joker. Do you want to know how I got these scars? That was not good. See, that one wasn't a good one. SPY's looking good over here in the pre-market over here, folks. It's trying to come up a little bit. Oxy? I don't know. We'll see what happens with oil. It's the strangle. Oh, oil selling off. No. No. CSX? Isn't that? Oxy coming down now. Canada. That's CZX. I don't know what this is. Freight? Oh, like trains? Yeah, maybe. SPY's moving here. Thought I was going to be able to be an oil baron today. Sounds more like, yeah, congestion. I know, BBBY. I know, guys. I know, I understand. 100% in the pre-market. I got it. It's right here. It's ripping. You're the ankler? Oh, that's a good one. CEI still going strong? Nice. Look at UNG. Oh, natural gas isn't doing that good, I don't think. UNG selling off pretty hard. Amy, pop. There we go. SPY ripping over here. Is it back into the green yet? Nah, 46 cents for the SPY to get back into the green. I don't know. I mean, we have. Yeah. So Oxy's selling here. Maybe. So I do have a strangle on it. So maybe it'll be the Oxy puts that hit. Who knows? Who knows, man? Can make profits on puts? Not yet. I'm not touching BBBY yet. They aren't talking on the news about it yet because all the big timers just want to sell their bloated oil stocks. Oh, hold on. What'd you say, Burn? What happened, Burn? Burn, what happened? All right, let's see here. SPY's having a day over here. Where's Micron? Micron, here we go. I mean, it's trying to move a little bit. If it breaks into this box, so Micron will be a box play today, probably. This war will be a total failure, Russian whistleblower says. Oh, oil put. My oil puts may come back. Amy's coming up here. GME's trying to get some action. SPY's coming up. All right, people, let's get excited, huh? I mean, let's see if we can get it past a couple of these good levels. Here we go. Here we go, folks. We got about 22 minutes left until market open. What do you think? I've been watching pre-market on the daily basis for a year. Shorts covered 1 million shares. This alone move AMC between 100 to... Wait, what? I don't think so, man. I'm excited. There you go, Ben Levine. Does RC revealing how much he owns of BBBY give off some Volkswagen vibes? Sort of. If he buys AMC or something crazy like that, that would be ridiculous. All right. Amy pre-market highs over here. SPY's making a little bit of a move. I mean, Oxy, like, it's fine that you're going to flicker around and be an asshole like this. Like, it's cool. I just need you to move really high or really low. Like, that's what I need. Same thing with you, Exxon. Is Exxon low right now? Did Exxon fall into the red? Not yet. So, I mean, these oil strangles could be good. 1693 in the pre-market over here. I mean, you guys know what we're watching. We're watching Declaration of Independence, 1776. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it's just fun to watch, you know? CEI is looking strong. I mean, it won't if imagine if AA came out and revealed he bought 9.8% of BlackBerry. Yeah, that would be insane. That would be insanity. All right, Exxon, Flickery, Oxy. I still think oil is good, so we'll see what happens with it. They might rug pull BBBY this morning. No, they have stuff to deal with on it. Like, they have a lot to deal with on Bed Bath & Beyond right now. They have the option chain that they have to take care of. They have the short interest, which is at, like, what, 28% right here estimated? The exchange reported was 27 on the 15th. Like, this is crazy, people. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting this info out to some more people. Thank you guys so much to those of you who have already done that. And special thank you to those of you who are going to. Also, shout out to the mods. Shout out to the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. Let's see here. All right, Bed Bath & Beyond. Are we going to go to infinity and beyond today? Let's see. Strangle BBBY. You can't, Ben. Look at the chain. It's like fucked. Sorry for the language, but like you're going to run through it. Like 30 is the highest strike that we have for March. It's 32. It's at 32 in the pre-market. Like you'd have to do like an in the money strangle, which like I wouldn't do, you know? Like it's just kind of nonsense over here. Ryan couldn't buy AMC. No, he could. He technically could do whatever he wants. All meme stocks have these 1.47 magic cost to borrow. Yeah, it's crap. It's nonsense. All right, let's see, Amy. What are we gonna do? Spy, red candle. Ah, spy. Oxy. All right. Well, still above this 200 EMA over here, and it's got a 1348 cross down in the pre-market. Which honestly, if it comes back up and does a 1348 cross in the market hours, it could go nutty. So let's see what happens with it today. Credit Suisse triggers margin calls. Yeah, I made a video about that last night. You become a premium member for the Discord last night. Woo! There you go. Have I received notifications yet? You're new to Discord? Yeah. You just got to make sure your notifications are on. I got them. So I'm getting notifications right now. Like lots of them. Last one was 4 minutes ago. Let's see here. Jeremy, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Just rage bought another 120 AMC after seeing the Batman and how packed the theater was Saturday night, closing in on XXXX. There you go. Woo! Jeremy, atta boy. MKBBIG starting to move. Oh, is it now? Biggie. Biggie's starting to come up. Amy's starting to come up a little bit. I mean, Biggie's probably going to move with them. That's kind of what we've seen. Oxy's RSI is low pre-market, so pop out open maybe. Maybe if oil's going to do its thing. I mean, what's it at right now? 116.64. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, Buffett bought it. Icon sold it. So you're going to have to take a look and see like who's going to be the winner over here. I mean, Amy's looking solid though. Like if we're going to see big moves on AMC, it's really like I have the most money on AMC right now. Like AMC is the biggest bet that I've ever taken. It's not the largest position that I hold just because things have gone up so much over the last couple of years, but it like initially putting money into it, like new money, biggest position that I've it did go up a shitload at one point. Strangle your hair. How's Mullen doing? How's it doing? Mullen down about 2% in the pre-market over here. Let's see. What's TLT saying? I think TLT is saying mark it up. And TLT is actually holding here. I mean, it's down 0.83%. Still got that TLT strangle kicking around. It's good. I mean, the calls are up big. Amy volume looking good for pre-market. It's all right. It's not bad. Oxy about to cross down on the Oxy did already cross down. On my chart, it's already crossed down. So Oxy crossed down here. I mean, it's coming back up a little bit. I just like the strangle. I mean, I'm not worried about it. I do have a decent amount of money on it. So I'm like, yeah, but it's fine. It'll be fine. I just think oil's going to move big this week regardless. Diamond Dave, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks. Stumbled onto your streaming. Like it. Woo! Diamond Dave, I appreciate that, buddy. Thanks for filtering in. 397 volume in pre-market on Webull. Yeah, so that's close to 1 million in pre-market overall. Probably. Close to 1 million. It's my first Monday with 1348. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably going to give stuff a decent amount of time. We've got 16 minutes left until market open. So let's see what's going to happen today, people. I might go a little bit smaller today. I was getting a little bit ahead of myself last week, especially on steel. Steel really slapped me in the face, which sucked. So I'm really just kind of seeing what this strangle is going to do with Oxy. I mean, as of right now, it's going to be good. The Exxon one, probably not, but it's so small. I literally got one contract on either side for Exxon, but I did go a bit bigger on Occidental. Let's see. AMC will run to 666. Thanks to the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Jackie Boy, Discord alerts. What happened, J-Dub? I mean, I'm getting them right here. I've got them. 7 minutes ago is the last alert. Let's see here. You playing Oxy again? Yeah, so I have a strangle on it. So I have calls and I have puts. So I'm expecting big move in oil that's going to affect Oxy this week. We saw it last night. Let's see if it's going to continue, though. So AMC right now is up 1.75% in the pre-market over here. We got GME up 1.69. Bed Bath & Beyond's up to the fucking ceiling over here, 98%. Jesus. You have a strangle on SPY today? Yeah, I mean, you might be good with that. Do you see the huge red candle that brought SPY to 413 after market close on Friday? Expect to do the same today, boot on the SPY? All right, man. Good luck. Let's see. Mara? What's up with Mara? Big green or big red? Ooh. Mara, big green. I have not had the best luck with Riot and Mara recently. I just haven't. BBBY worth a play? They ran the chain on options. So, wow, Mara's coming up here. They ran through the chain on options, so you can't really get anything on it. But I mean, if they add stuff, which they will, they're gonna try to steal more money from people trying to FOMO into it. They will add options to that chain. Either, I mean, they might do it today or tomorrow. I don't know when they're gonna do it, but I mean, that could really. I mean, if people are gonna start buying these at the money in the money contracts on Bed Bath & Beyond, it's over. That thing's gonna go insane. YouTube not showing you my live feeds? That's nonsense, man. Glad to be back in a VIX live. Flyers. Appreciate that, buddy. Uber jumped a bit. Yeah, SPY's coming up here a little bit. So, I mean, Uber's going to be decent. I do like messing around with Uber. Ooh, Uber did jump a little bit. What's the news on this? Why Uber shares are trading higher today? Oh, updated its guidance. So better than expected guidance on Uber. That's good. Ortex on BBBY. It's insane. Wow, they're going to short the shit out of it today. They net borrowed 2 million shares already. That's 2% of the float. That's over 2% of the float. That's a lot. That's a lot. That is a boatload. Also, guys, if you guys do want to join the Discord, it's linked in the top of the chat over here. You do get access to those like 5 stocks that we're alerting you on for free. That is going to be around for a little while longer. We're kind of working on where we're gonna put things in terms of like what we're gonna transition it to after this free period is over. We might actually leave those free alerts up for you guys so you can get a taste, and then we'll create like a lower tier for people that can only like swing trade shares. Or if you want the premium where you get access to all the private live streams and all of the alerts on the different time frames with crypto with 350 stocks, you can check that out over there. But you can get a taste of it for free. Let's see here. Still holding Walmart calls? Nah, I traded them a little bit on Friday, but I'm not holding them. So SPY's moving back down here. Where's Occidental? Is it coming up? Now Oxy's getting some reds over here. So WTI crude right now is at 116.28 on what I have. Brent is at 120.25. You must be balling on oil. Maybe. I mean, it depends. It depends on what happens today with Oxy. I mean, I want it to go really, really high or really, really low. I mean, it doesn't matter to me. I just want it to move huge. Yeah, oil is selling off right now. Clap. I was getting Discord alerts, but I don't have any right now. The last one was 11 minutes ago, but nothing crazy has moved. So let's see what happens with market opens. If they're still not alerting right now, I'll shoot a message out. Leaving my computer to make some coffee. Don't say anything more until I get back. Going to the members chat. People are having problem with alerts. Hold on. I just got an alert right here. I just got one. So hold on. Like literally, as you said that, I just got one. Hold on. All right, Oxy's selling off here. Ooh, baby. Let's see what happens. Oil puts. I have oil puts. You jumping in right away? Are you waiting? I'm waiting for it. I'm gonna wait today. Definitely waiting today. Gabe said stay off until 10. Oh, did he turn the alerts off until 10? Interesting. I don't know. I had some stuff I had to take care of last night, so I wasn't in the premium live chat. I had some family stuff I had to deal with, so I'll have to catch up. Why would Oxy go down? Because oil is selling off. Oil is selling off a little bit here. All right, guys, we got about 11 minutes until market open. Amy's still looking good, up about 1.81% over here. We got Spy trying to move up a little bit here too. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot with trying to get some more people in here. And just with the overall algorithm. So thank you guys so much to those of you who have done that and who are about to. I mean, oil prices are going up. Not right now. Oil prices are selling off a little bit. So crude was at like 123, 124, and now it's at 116. So oil prices are coming down a little bit. Vic says he's waiting every day, but then never does. Facts. That is true. That is very, very true. I usually never wait. I get too excited. I get too excited, man. And then we make dirty morning trades. That's why I hold my AMC, because one day it's just going to take off without anybody knowing why. Exactly. I agree. I agree. I think BBBY creates some FOMO across the board. I think it could. I was in the live last night. I learned a lot and feel like I got my money's worth without a trading day yet. There you go, Bjorn. Yeah, that's why we do those live streams. We might be doing today. Let's see here. All right, so GME's trying to pop here. I mean, Oxy, I mean, it's still up 3%. That's still good. Spy, still in the red so far in the pre-market over here. Bitcoin making new day highs. Yeah, so watch Mara, Riot, a couple of these other things. So Riot, how's this doing over here? Got Riot Cross coming up above this 200 EMA over here. Looking solid. Whoa, what's up, Ryan? How you doing, buddy? All right. I don't know if it was turned off. Said water is choppy. Stay out till 10. That's kind of what I think, too. That's probably what I'm going to do. If I do anything, it'll be tiny. So Spy is moving up nicely over here. Okay, so here's the deal. Okay. This is kind of how I see things setting up right now. I think we're going to do my Spy prediction for the morning. Are you guys ready? This is my market prediction for this morning. We do these sometimes, and it's fun, and we've had a pretty solid success rate. I just haven't traded on it sometimes. So this is what I expect for the Spy at market open. I think it's going to flicker around. Then it's going to come up, test the top of this box right here, and then it's going to reject and come back down. And then I think it's going to come back up for a second test, and it might break through and it might come back up. Then it's going to sell off a little bit. And then that third or fourth test that it has at the upper end of this box, then it's going to break out if Spy is going to come up to the upside. That's my Spy prediction for this morning. Do I think that's going to be correct? I have no idea. Oh, Amy, new day highs in the pre-market. Ooh, 1697 over here. Oh, baby. So that's what I see on the Spy. Hit the like, everybody. Thank you, Luigi. I appreciate that, buddy. All righty. So, Oxy, how's this looking? Let's see if we're going to be oil barons again today. Maybe. Maybe. Look at USO. USO's probably selling off, isn't it? USO's probably been selling off. Yeah, USO was up really high in the pre-market over here and is just getting slapped in the face. Germany committed to buying Russian oil. I saw that. So Germany did commit to continuing to buy Russian oil. So that could not hurt us, but like it's not gonna. I mean, my oil position. That's the thing. Like, I just want it to move. I do not care which direction it is. I want it to move big green or big red. I do not want a flat day on Oxy. That is how I get burned. A flat day, a premium burn day. That's how I get sparked. Is this thing on? What's up, Jeremy? How you doing? I haven't seen your messages. You haven't been ignored for 3 days? Well, we haven't been on live. Let's see. Walmart will print. Did I see Bed Bath & Beyond? Yes. Yes, I've seen Bed Bath & Beyond. It's up 92% right now. Spy's moving up here a little bit again. Amy, 1697 is the pre-market high over here, up 1.87%. GME pre-market high, 114.90, up 2.5% over here. Oxy gonna run today, no worries. I mean, I think it's still decent. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond is on a moon mission today. So let's see what happens at market open. If they're gonna, I mean, they've already taken out like over 2% of the shares net in terms of a borrow. Like the float here is 94 million, and they've taken out today 2 million shares net on loan. Like they're going to try to come out and attack this thing today. The 2.22 million now. So they're going to try and push this thing down. The volume of the pre-market is 11 million. Let's see if the buyers are going to step up and be like, nope. That's what I've been saying in like the AMC in my AMC videos too. It's like if we start, there's a lot of shares that they can use against us. It's up to retail investors and institutional investors who are long to come in and basically like battle the shorts coming in and say, nope, I'm not going to let you push this down. I'm just not going to let you. Because again, it all comes down to supply and demand at the end of the day. If shorts are selling into the market and retail's buying in more amounts and is willing to buy at higher prices than the shorts are willing to sell them at, then we're going to win. Wheat, oh boy. So why is BBBY pumping? Ryan Cohen, or RC Ventures, it looks like, has initiated a pretty sizable position in Bed Bath & Beyond. Micron, yeah, Micron could be another good one. Let's see what happens. Micron's going to be a box play because it's already crossed over in the pre-market, but it's below the 200 EMA. All right, people. 5 minutes until market open, people. It's going to be exciting. I mean, this is going to be a cool day. So we have this Ryan Cohen stuff. We got oil flickering around, making some moves. So hypothetically, if a bunch of people were to buy BBY shares, we could really screw some shorts. Technically, yes, it's the same difference. It's just, I view it as like tiers. Like there's tiers of like the short squeeze plays. It's like AMC GME at the top, Bed Bath & Beyond, like BlackBerry and stuff a little bit lower. Same thing with like BBIG and a couple of these other things. Like the lower tiers in my mind are just kind of like, they're all jumbled together. You can't really tell right now which one's going to be the better one or which one's going to be the worst one. But a lot of them are like, all right, they all have significant potential. Oxy's looking like puts this morning. I was expecting calls. It could be. I mean, oil has just sold off. It's bouncing up a little bit here. Remember, Buffett bought a bunch of it. Oh man, Amy just looks good in the pre-market. It's up 2% over here. You're gonna see some volatility. When it like the market's gonna be crazy. MOS today, SNMP Ortex. Gotcha. Snip, evolve. What do we got on this thing? 6.72% estimated short interest, 20% cost to borrow, 91% utilization. There you go. Shell defends buying 100,000 metric tons of crude oil from Russia. Oh God, that's not good. Yeah, Buffett bought a lot of Oxy. Buffett, the plug, bro. Buffett's like the Walter White of this situation. He's just like, I'm the danger. All right, here we go. Let's see. Where's oil right here? It's coming up a little. It's charge point running. Ooh, do we want to play some charge point? Honestly, here's kind of what I'm thinking here. I kind of like swings a little bit more now. I'm thinking swings, but strangles. That's kind of what I'm looking at. I kind of like, if I'm going to hold stuff overnight, I want to kind of play strangles on it. That's kind of, I just want to like, because I think the volatility is going to be here and it's going to hang around. And these overnight moves are crazy that we're seeing in stocks, up or down. So I might be like switching my thesis a little bit, where if I see things starting to go up and I think like oil, for example, can continue to go up, I won't just play it one-sided. I'll get both sides of the trade, the calls and the puts, kind of like lower my potential for an upside by spending the money on puts that I would have spent on calls. But I mean, you're still kind of in the play and you can play those overnight moves. That's just a thought that I've been having. Yeah, Amy is flickering. STV a swinger. Funny. Yeah, guys. All right, let's see here. As you guys are filtering in, we got 3 minutes left to go. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Engage with the content. Help get this out to some more people. Today is going to be a crazy day. Charge points coming up here a little bit. Where's Micron? Micron, AMD. What's running right now? Apple, honestly, is probably running a little bit. So, whoa. DraftKings candle over here. I mean, maybe we do something like that. DraftKings, Apple, Tesla, something crazy. Something wild. BBBY will halt in the first minute. I can't. You could be right. You could be right. I mean, it's up 87%. If it gets a giant red candle at open, like it will halt. You have a lot of settled cash. Let's make some bank on 1348. All right, Chase Mustache. Here's what we got to do. We got to be patient. We got to relax a little bit. And that's kind of what I got a little bit overzealous last week. I was still at a really good week, big green week for me. But I think at the end of the week, I was trying to force it a little bit, like the steel trade and the Lockheed and the net. Like I just got completely screwed around with on Friday, especially with that Netflix trade. I was up 100%. 30 seconds later, I was up 10%. I was like, this is fucking stupid. YOLO, but yeah, we're gonna definitely make some plays today. Amy 1691 flickering between 1693 over here in the pre-market. We got SPY flickering around. Where's Oxy? Oxy selling a little here. Putting my BBBY gains into AMC today. AM7. There you go, man. You went on tilt Friday? Yeah, Friday, crazy. I did make a lot of that back though. Like the loss on X and like the weird other ones that I had. I mean, I did make the majority of it back, which is fine. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna like I took the Lockheed quick. Friday was weird because I was just terrified of holding stuff because all of a sudden you would just see positions just go randomly against you and you would go from being up like 100% to like 10. And I was like, I don't want to deal with this. Like, if I held the Lockheed, I would have had like until like 3, I would have had a green day, which I mean, it's fine. But now I have these oil strangles that I need to work. So I still think, I mean, Oxy's selling off pretty hard here. I need it to really move though. Oxy's selling off hard into open here. Here we go. All right. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Let's see what we're going to get over here. SPY candle, Amy. All right. That's weird. This was a silly candle over here. Let's see. Occidental open up at 57.86 about. It's coming up a little bit here. BBBY. I know everybody's interested in this. So it's up 81% right now, coming down a little bit. SPY's kind of flickering around a little here. GME 114.32. We got AMC trying to make a move above 7. There it is. There it is. 1708 over here. Woo! All right, people. Let's get some boom boom candles coming over here. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Here we go, everybody. So let's check oil really quickly. 116.14. Oxy's probably going to get hurt a little bit. Apple boom. Interesting. Interesting. Hold on. Apple. Yeah, Bed Bath Beyond selling off a little bit. Apple. I keep double clicking like these numbers because Apple booming right here. Woo! There it is. So, I mean, we're watching SPY over here. I think SPY. What about DraftKings? DraftKings was another one that was looking all right in the pre-market over here. Still trying to get above that 200 EMA over here. Oxy, is this selling off? It's all right. Let me see what this strangle's at right now. I mean, it's probably decent. Probably decent. Wow. Right now, it's saying my calls and puts are Oxy are still in the green. So the call side's up 13. I don't think it's moved. Yeah. So the options have not updated yet on Occidental. So we'll see what happens. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. AMC came, it's right around 17 right here. Did the red candle literally just disappear? Pretty much. Pretty much. Let's see what we're going to get here now. All right. So these might take a little bit to update. TLT probably coming down a little here. I mean, unless SPY's going to sell off. Let's see what happens. Lucid, Palantir taking off. Palantir really ripping up here. Let's see. That candle on AMC. Wow. Yeah. Calling Lucid. Lucy. Lucy Goosey. Oh, Lucid candle over here. Where's DraftKings? Did DraftKings make the move yet? No. Uber. I don't want to get shark finned on anything this morning. I really want to just do my best to avoid shark fins. That's my goal for today. DraftKings, did it cross above that 200 EMA yet? Oh, DraftKings back down. Occidental, how are we doing over here? There it is. There it is. Let's see what happens with Oxy. Mullen needs to run too. Yeah, Tesla's running. Yeah, Tesla and Apple, I believe, are doing all right. So Apple over here. I mean, Apple's got a nice candle. AMC 1691. Let's check back in on Bed Bath & Beyond. See how this thing is doing if the buyers are stepping in on it. Not yet. GME, big red over here. Let's see what's going to happen. Micron. Oh, boy. Don't you tempt me with some Micron, pal. Oh, fuck. All right. Hold on. I need a closing candle in this box. That's what I need. I need a closing Micron candle in the box. Oh, these are expensive. So let's see. SPY, Micron. No cross, but AMD moving. Yeah, Lockheed going up. Oh, God, don't you tempt me with this. All right, we're going to start scaling. 2 minutes left on this candle. SPY coming down and Micron, and these are just holding here. So that's a little bit interesting. Lockheed coming up. Oh, Lockheed, giant candle over here. Isn't that all-time high? I think that's all-time high on Lockheed. That's insane. Lucid's pumping. Interesting. Okay, so Oxy, what's going on with this? Oxy down. All right, so let's see here. Where's Micron? Didn't do it. Lucid. Yeah, Lucid's running here. Lucid's running. So Amy coming down to that 13 EMA. LMT is at all-time high. Yeah. What happened until waiting until 10? I haven't done anything yet. I mean, I'm still waiting on stuff. Lucid's looking good here. DraftKings, flickering. Oxy, flickering. Lucid below the 200 though? No, not on my chart. Oops. Not on my chart. It's not. It's well above everything. Lucid's really ripping here. It's up 6% right now. SPY is coming down. Hold on. Lucid's ripping and the SPY is just tanking. Neo running. EV looks to be running. Neo looks good here. I don't know. SPY's just not looking good here. Could get that 1348 to the downside. Neo, boom, boom. Yeah. Oh, you're on the 30-minute? Gotcha. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. AMC's up 1.33%. Let's see. Where's Apple now? Because Apple was getting a nice candle, but the SPY's probably going to drag it down. Yeah. All right. Oxy, how's this looking? Ooh, Oxy's coming down hard. Let's see. All right. Whoa, 50%. How are the Oxys got bid up a little bit here? The Exxons and the Occidentals got bid up really big. So the premium just inflated hard on those. So I'm going to leave this here for a little bit because I think they're going to end up coming back to, I don't know. This is weird. So SPY's flickering here. The premium on the Occidental is just really, really inflated. They're up 47%, 45%. They're coming down a little bit here. So with Oxy selling, wow, the puts held. The volatility on these contracts, the IV is insane. So these contracts are holding. It's still really early, but let's see what happens with this. So SPY is moving down here. What do we like? Honestly, I would buy like Lucid puts or something crazy here. I mean, Lucid's still coming up. BBBY halted? I don't think so, but Lucid's making new highs over here. Bed Bath & Beyond coming down. Lucid doesn't look like it gives a shit about the market right now. All right, I'm gonna do something little here. Let's see. Ung about to cross up. Interesting. I got a little bit of a Lucid trade, like a little tiny one, just to have a little bit of exposure on EVs for maybe even this week for today. Let's see. Oxy not really bouncing yet. Mullins pushing. There you go. AMC about to break out. I mean, this is a nice candle here, back above 17. Here we go. You're up 1600% on CEI calls. There you go. Oxy's coming down now. Yeah, Amy's looking good. Lucid. Here comes Lucid. What about Uber going on a rocket? Uber. I mean, there's no crosses really. Like, there's no crosses yet. So SPY is still flickering here. 1704 on AMC. Let's see what we want over here. How are these Oxys up 51%? Like, how? How is that possible? There's nothing crossing in the Discord. I don't see any crosses, but I've also seen people saying that 4 minutes ago, I'm getting weeklies. I'm getting weekly crosses over here. So Uber coming up. Hertz? Is it running? Roblox? Yeah, I mean, let's see what we get over here. Micron, where's Micron? MU, is it in the box yet? No, didn't like it. Did not like it. Let's see what we get over here. Lucid looking great. Lockheed, is Lockheed running? Fuck. If Lockheed wants that 1348. DraftKings crossed down. USO turned around. Where's oil right now? Hold on. Yeah, oil's coming back to life here. Oh. Oxy. No, it doesn't like it. So let's see what happens with this. I'll hold this strangle. The contracts are still up for some reason. They're going to update a little bit. Neo just keeps going. Neo's running. Where's Lucid? Is Lucid going to get a little jumpy over here? Lucid's trying. GME's coming down. SPY's flickering over here. Let's see what happens with these Lucid contracts that I have. I have a couple of them. Let's see. Space looking good. Bank of America crossed down. Yeah, Bank of America crossed down right here. I'm going to go really small with all these trades. Like, I'm not going to trade big. Oh, okay. What is this doing? I mean, it did cross down right here. SPY coming down. I don't like it. Not a fan. Not a fan. Lucy. There you go. How are my oxys up 70% right now? Let me know. How the hell is this happening? All right, it's bouncing a little bit here, but this is weird. Lockheed premiums are jacked. It's because it's really expensive. What a day was down 2K in the morning. Now back in the green. There you go. You're up 7% on my Bank of America puts in about 5 minutes. There you go. My Lucids are up a little bit here. A little tiny bit. Where's Neo? Is it still just cranking? Neo cranking. Lucid. And flickering. My Exxon Strangle's doing all right. IMPP halt. Oh boy. I might halt right here. I mean, it got this 1348 just now, and it's coming up. Yeah, these oxys are insane. All right, Amy, let's go. 1681 on AMC, up 1.39%. SPY's flickering around a little bit over here. BBY might move eventually below 200. Keeping an eye on it. All righty. All righty. All right, hold on. Things are starting to move down now. SPY's starting to come down. Where's Lucid? Sharkfin time on Lucid? Yeah, maybe. TNXP. I mean, Tonics Pharmaceuticals. I know it's a penny stock, though, I think. Yeah, no, not for me. Lucid puts? Maybe. It's flickering here. Where's Neo? Neo's just holding up at the high over here. All right, hold on. Oxy looking good. All right, Neo's coming back up. Oxy. There she goes. Cross on Neo. Did it? No, but Neo's just moon missioning over here. Moon mission on Neo. I mean, I already have the Lucid. How's Lucid? It's trying here. It's not doing as well as Neo. Let's see. Where's Occidental? Let's see. Steel is running. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't you tempt me with some steel. Let's see. Okay, so this is weird. The Oxy puts that I have are green. The Oxy calls that I have are up 60%. This is crazy. Alrighty. Lockheed ripping. Did it cross? Yeah, crossing. Crossing. Oh my. Oh my. The premium is fucking insane. Yeah, they're really DraftKings crossing down on the 5. Interesting. Where's the Lucid right here? All right, let's see. All right, SPY's moving down here. Lockheed looks like it wants to get across. DraftKings. All right, let's see. All right, cool. All right, what are we going on here? SPY's moving down here. Oh, brother. Where's Oxy? Oxy coming down. SPY coming down. Interesting. Neo. What's up with Neo? Is Neo still ripping or did it come down? No, Neo, little red over here. Little red on Neo. Dude, this is the most insane thing that I've seen with Oxy right now. The premium on it is so incredibly jacked. Deutsche Bank has reduced exposure to Russia. There it is. There's another one. So that might be another one, reducing exposure to Russia on a couple of these other things that we got going on over here. So that could be another Russian bond situation that you got to take a look out for. So keep an eye out for more of these institutions starting to flicker around with this Russian bond nonsense. So SPY is coming down right now. Ooh, man. Poor SPY feels bad. Yeah, Amy's coming down now. All right. Dude, this is the craziest Oxy trade that I've. This is stupid. The calls are up 50%. The puts are up 20%. I almost just want to take this right here because this is stupid. This is stupid. All right, where's oil? 117 flat over here. BBBY. Holy cow! Hold on, what's going on with that? I mean, it's trying to bounce here. GME's getting some pretty big reds over here. All right, cutting the lucid over here. Not yet. Not yet. US stocks extend fall. Dow Jones down 1%. All right, where's lucid here? How's it look? It's a tiny lucid trade. I don't really care a whole lot about it. So let's see. Let's see where Lockheed is. LMT, little cross. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, Lockheed crossing. Let's see what happens on this next candle over here. If Lockheed's going to go moon mission or not. Let's see. 30% up on 10 SPY contracts. There you go, squirrel. All right, I'm going to cut this here. Actually, SPY flickery. Yeah, lucid trying. I'll leave that for a little bit. Oxy looks good. US Steel just crossed. Oh, man, are you really going to do this to me, bro? Are you really going to do this to me? Are we going to do this again? Are we going to do this again? Steel is just hurtful. It's just been so hurtful. It's just not nice to me. It's just so mean. Let's see. What's Lockheed doing? Sell it off a little here. Jack King's worth the shot? Maybe. It's coming down. It's coming down pretty hard. Watch that low. Watch that low. Steal your money. Yeah. NOC, Northrop. Is that running up too? Yep. Northrop looks good. Amy coming down. SPY looks like it wants to move down a little here. Where's Neo? I want some Neo puts. Loosey goosey. Loosey goosey's gonna go here. Like, I'm gonna cut it. Goodbye, Lucy. All right, let's see. SPY's moving down a little bit here. We got things starting to move. All right, freaking oil play is going crazy. Lucid coming down. Shark fin. You're up 77% on X. There you go. Where's Oxy right now? All right, let's see. LMT. Are we gonna do it again? Are you gonna do it again, Lockheed? Is that what we're gonna do over here? We're gonna play around again here, pal. All right, let's see. Lockheed's going up here. New highs. There you go. All right, contracts. Time to update there. All right, hold on. Let's check back on Oxy. It wants it. So SPY's moving down a little bit here. Okay, these Lockheeds are being a little bit of a shithead. Not gonna lie, it's making new highs. I bought call, right? Yeah. SPY looking for a cross down. It is looking for a cross down. BBBY is popping. Did it come back up? No. BBBY selling off. Amy selling off 1635 over here, down about 1.4%. Let's see what we're gonna get here, everybody. So, all right, the Exxon strangle's good. The Oxy strangle's printing. Uber shark fin soup. Yeah, a lot of things are shark finning right now. So careful, everybody. Be very, very careful. Mullen 13 got to get above the 200. UVXY running a bit. I would not be surprised if SPY starts to tank here. Micron puts maybe. What do we got on Micron? Yep, Micron looks like it might want to cross down soon. Is Amy's coming down? Yeah, Micron is coming down here. Steel. Steel, shark fin, shark fin, shark fin on US Steel. All right, hold on. I kind of want to play SPY. What's it down right now? Lockheed flickering on this 1348, 23, 28. We got a minute left. Hold on. Let's see what happens with this SPY candle right here. Neo holding. There you go. Time to bounce? Maybe. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much. Lockheed down. Oxy. Flicker. GME's trying to pop here a little bit. Verizon. Down. All right. Let's see what happens with SPY here. Tesla on the up. SPY will follow up shortly. That'd be nice to see, man. Verizon's coming down, though. Where's Lockheed? Shark fin. Shark fin. Oxy. Let's see here. I'm only going to flat T-Mobile. Timus. Let's see. Mullen running. Mullen is running up here a little bit. Mullen starting to get spicy over here, people. Woo, baby. Mullen. There she goes. All right, let's see. Mullen is coming up. GLD is about to cross up. Amy's trying to cross up here. Where's TLT? Did TLT go up? Hold on. Wow, TLT is down right now. All right, I'm little red on the TLT strangle. Little bit red on the TLT. Let's see. How is Hood up 7%? Kathy's probably over there just slapping the ass. Like, that's just what she does over here. All right. This looks like the time for SPY. Hold on. Right. What's the lower box range? 425. I don't know, man. Sing, there she goes. Let's see. Just sold my SoFi put strangle, 15% gain. There you go, man. Kathy, that's what Kathy does. She just sits there and just slaps the ass. Like, trust me. That's what she does. You can look at, oh, there goes Lockheed. You can just look at some of the wait, 60% on lucid puts. There you go. There you go. Oxy, what are we looking at here? What's the Oxy strangle? Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. The Oxy calls are up 83% that I have. That's a lot. That's pretty good. Steel is ripping. So please, I'm not touching it. Steel, look at this. So X, if you look at X, this is what it'll do to you. Look at this. Shark fin comes back down, though, and then it rips back up. I just don't like it. It's just freaking me out. Like, Steel got me so bad on Friday. I just don't want to touch it anymore. Also, guys, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in. And if you do want access to those free alerts for the Discord, make sure you check the link that's pinned in the chat. Sign up over there. It's kind of like the training wheels for the premium section. Make sure you guys check that out. A lot of people are crushing it with it. Steel is coming up on this 1348 cross right here. Woo! Micron sinking. See, I do want Micron puts, but I'm scared. I'm a scared little boy. Bro, you know what I thought of the other day? You know what I thought of? If Robinhood fails, this is the thought. If Robinhood fails, do you know what Vlad could do as a job? He could be in Harry Potter movies. He could be like young Snape. That's like backup plan for Vlad right there. Come on, Oxy, is it going? It wants it. All right, so SPY's hanging out at these lows over here. Where's Lockheed? Looks good. Let's see. I bet many people would love to slap. Okay, KM. No. All right, let's see. SPY trying to make a move back here. Lockheed coming back. EVgo cross and running. I mean, ChargePoint was running. At EVgo little cross here. It is running, though. EVgo can be a nice one. SPY's just kind of hanging out over here. Oxy had a nice bounce off the 200. Yeah, it is bouncing off the 200 over here. Hopefully that's not like a little dead cat bounce and oil's got. Oh, Oxy. Oil's coming down though. What the fuck? Unusual well sweet 1 minute ago. There you go. All right. What is this at right here? 110% on the calls. Woo! 52% on the Exxon call strangle. Amy red green. Amy's trying to come back up here. So Amy's up about 7 cents right here, up 0.42%. Spy's trying to make a move back to the upside here too. LMT, how's this doing? Lockheed, freaking moon missioning over here. I have one contract for this week that I'm gonna hold and not be a bitch on. Just letting you know. I have one of those. I got one a little while ago on the cross. And then it was this candle, and then I got spanked, and now it's coming back up. Went to watch the Bassman last night. Pretty damn good in my opinion. Shanner. There you go. All right, let's see here. AMC trying to make a move back up here. I mean, Lockheed still looks great. Oxy. There she goes, man. There she goes. All right, Amy. What else do we have? All right, my Lockheeds are down 4%. My Exxon position is green. My Oxy position is big green right now. Let's see. Dayrider Ohio, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Can you keep Mullen on the board? Love your stream. I will filter it in and out if you want to see it, but there's a lot of things that I'm looking for, and I'm not just gonna the things that are always gonna stay: AMC, GME, SPY, and some other index. This is like the miscellaneous tab. Like Mullen is coming up nicely over here, but it's coming back down. So I mean, I'm watching Oxy right now. Lockheed Oxy's looking really good. Lockheed's probably coming up a little bit here. Yeah, I mean, Lockheed looks real. I mean, it's just continuing to make these highs over here. So let's check it on the 1 minute if it's coming down to the. Yeah, this looks really solid over here. So that's just kind of what I'm doing. I'm up on Oxy 130%. Oil barons over here. Dude, we have been absolutely sparking the market maker. My goal every single day is to look the market maker in the eye and steal from them. Like, that is the goal over here. Just steal from Kenny. Micron cross on the 3 minute, up or down? Was it down? Probably down, right? That's what I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm not touching it on the 3 minute cross. The only things that I have are like, I mean, where's Lucid? I probably should have held it, but I was just like, you're up 500% on Oxy. You're welcome. There you go. Call me Mr. Oil Baron. Yeah, I mean, let's see how it works this week. I mean, I have a big position in it. Hopefully the strangle works. I'm protecting myself on both sides. Lockheed. Bing bong. BKKT running. There you go. Mullins ripping. There you go, man. Francisco, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. 1,400% up on Oxy and 400% on LMT. Thanks to you, Francisco. I appreciate the super, buddy. I'm glad you're crushing it. Thank you so much for that super and letting me know. Let's see. Spy's trying to come back up here a little bit. Lockheed flickering. Oxy. Let's check that. Yeah, let's check oil really quick. Yeah, set 117. Interesting. 47% up on X shares. There you go. Stranger danger. What happened there? Spy trying to come back up. GME 109.89. AMC 1653 right here. Pretty much flat, down 4 cents right now. Where's Bed Bath and Beyond right now though? This thing is just it's probably gonna get walked down throughout the day. Remember, they took out like over 2% of the float in shares on loan today, in like loan shares. So they're gonna try to attack this thing. Yeah, Lockheed's gonna flicker around. Oxy, how's this thing looking? Oxy still looking solid over here. Rands, what's up, buddy? Oh, Rands does want to rent. You know what, Rands? I think you've earned it, pal. I think you've earned it. Rands, welcome to the moderator club, my man. Welcome. Thanks for always being here, buddy. Appreciate it. Don't be afraid to take small profits on these swing plays. Oh, 100%. 100%. I've just protected myself on some charge points running. I mean, do I want to? Yes. Should I? No. Like, I just want BBIG still a thing? Yeah. Steel is still ripping. Damn. Dawson, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Vix, we are getting no 3 minute alerts in the Discord. All right. Let me try and figure this out. All right, Oxy's coming up a little here. I just sent them a message to take a look at it. 126% on the call side of the Oxy, 87% on the call side of the Exxon. The LMTs are down a little bit, but I'm gonna hold those. Oh, SPY down. SPY big red. Hold on. Let's see what happens here. Mullen is ripping. Good for you guys that are in it. Thank you very much. Rams. There you go, buddy. Welcome. Let's see. Wait, I'm getting SPY alerts. I mean, hold on. I'm getting 3-minute alerts, people. What's going on? All right, let's see. Lockheed chilling, SPY flickering. Where's Oxy? Coming down a little here. Unusual whales tweet. What's up with that? What's up with the unusual tweet? Are we getting unusual tweets over here? What'd they say? What'd they say? What'd they say? Breaking. Marjorie Taylor Greene bought American oil stocks, war stocks, LMT and renewable energy stocks, NEE 1 day before tweeting. War and rumors of war is incredibly profitable and convenient. Jesus, come on, bro. Come on. Alerts are working for me. Yeah, I'm getting them too. I just shot him a message. They're like, "What are you talking about?" I'm like, "I don't know." And then I looked. I was like, "Oh, I'm seeing alerts too. I don't know what's going on." Lockheed. I mean, I like this. I think this is going to be good. Apple's dumping. Yeah, I mean that's a big SPY move to the downside here. I might take a couple of footsies, see what happens over here. It looks like it wants to cross down soon. So let's see. SPY 0 day gamble. Just kidding. It's not a gamble. Where's the 1 minute on the 13 EMA? It's got some room to come up here. Noel, what's up, man? Thanks for being a member, buddy. I think Gabe turned them off until 10. Okay, maybe. We're gonna get 2 here and just see what happens on this. I'm just gonna kind of wait here. I'm scaling into this SPY, and if it comes up to this 13 EMA on the 1 minute, I'll get some more. Oh, Lockheed coming down. All right, Oxys are good. 3-minute alerts are marked as private. Right, it's for the premium members. You guys have notifications turned off. My computer is going crazy with notifications. All right, guys, come on. Last one was 3:57 p.m. I'm not sure what's going on here then, guys. All right, so I'm scaling into some SPY puts. If it comes up and tests this 13 EMA over here, I'll get some more. That's kind of what I'm looking at here. So I scaled in a little bit. If it comes up and tests the 13 EMA at any time, I'll start to add. Occidental, how are we doing over here? There it is. Oh, you're premium? Interesting. I don't know what's going on, man. I just got one 2 minutes ago. That's a weekly. All right, so SPY's trying to move back up here a little bit. Oxy's still looking good. Lucid, what's Lucy doing? Lucy's trying to bounce here. All right, so SPY's making its way back up to this 13 EMA over here. Oh, lit. My shoes are coming in. Nice. My last day was also from Friday on the 3-minute. I'm getting the SPY alerts. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, so we'll figure that out for you guys. Discord does have some problems. It's usually not a problem on our end. It's usually just a Discord wide problem here. Woo! Keith. What's up, man? How you doing? Thanks for being a member. Should have followed the rules and braved Lulu. She is dropping this morning. Check her out. Yeah, let's see. Lulu's expensive though, so you gotta have some money. Yeah, Lulu on this cross coming down pretty hard. LMT, this is still holding fine, I think. Yeah, Lockheed's fine. What's this on the 1 minute? Is this coming down to the yeah, it's chilling. It's doing the thing it does. Let's see. My alerts are good. Last one was 4 minutes ago. That's what I saw too. I mean, the market's not doing anything like too wild. Ooh, Oxy 1 minute 1348 crossover here. Coming back down a little bit. Where's oil right now? Is that back at 118 yet? Yep, 118.19. So this could be good for oil. Wheat halt. Jesus. All right. Let's see what happens with SPY here. Wheat is halted. What the fuck? Yeah, but this is not like a, hold on. That's weird. That's not like a, SPY is coming up here. If it tests this 13 EMA and rejects, I'll pile into another contract here. Maybe even two. XOM about to cross on the 5. Up. That'd be sweet, man. That'd be sweet. Yeah, here comes Exxon. That strangle's looking good. Yeah, SPY rejected here. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. I'll play it small. Halt for news? Maybe. It might be halt pending news. Yeah, Exxon's about to cross here. This is good right here. So Exxon's coming up nicely. I've got that strangle on it for this week. I'm not going to play it on the 1348. But this could be a good one. Oxy, it's just kind of waiting for it. All right, so here comes SPY back up to that 13 EMA on the 1 minute. All right, I accidentally bought the wrong Celsius today. It's like Apple, and I feel like it's going to be terrible, but we're going to try it right here. Out of Lucid, 30% in 10 contracts. There you go. BBBY running. Is it running back up? No volatility halt on wheat. Yeah, it's not a volatility tilt on wheat. Volatility halt. Let's see here. Oxy just flickering here. Amy's trying to make a move back up here. SPY. Clove is running. Yeah. Lucky chilling. Where's it at on the 13? Chilling. SPY back up. 2,400% on CEI. Damn, son. That's what we like to see there. He's just flickering here. Where's Exxon? Is Exxon still running up? Yep, Exxon moon mission over here. Not bad. Not bad. All right, SPY's doing its thing at that 13 EMA over here on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens with it. Exxon's running up, though, nicely. I like that. Why is wheat halted? I don't know. I haven't seen any news on it. I think SPY's going to reject here and come back down. What are the Exxons at? Exxon calls up 117%. Oxy calls up 100%. Not bad. Ooh, here comes SPY. I mean, that still doesn't look great. Just that looks like it wants to cross here. So let's give it a minute. Let's see. Exxon coming up. Where's Lockheed? Lockheed ripping back up here a little bit. I kind of just want to keep those SPY puts as like a little hedge. 3 minute alerts coming back. There we go. Alerts working. Perfect. Perfect. There we go, everybody. All right. So let's see here. Lockheed coming up. Where's Oxy? I want the Oxy to hit big because that's the one that I have the most money on, the strangle. I went small on the Exxon, but this one's like moon missioning over here. So this strangle's good. This is a good one right here. 124% on Exxon calls. There you go. Arrival is ripping. 9%, not bad. Let's see. Don't get left holding the bag. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. Buy and sell drives price up or down. Retail owns God knows how much. Truly, if hedge funds just decided to stop their BS activity on AMC, could holders be forced into a stalemate until retail decided to sell? It wouldn't really be like a stalemate. It would be like, oh shit, like they would have to do something. The price would start to increase significantly, most likely. Lockheed coming up to new highs. Exxons are up 118%. Oxys are up 107. Where's oil right now? Running. Oil's running here. Husa's ripping again. Dude, I used to own Husa. I forgot about that. I sold it a while ago though, because it was just ass. That was like one of my penny stock mistakes. It was like Houston American Energy, and then there was another one. It wasn't TNXP, I don't think. It might have been. It's possible that it was. Let's see here. Lockies are basically flat. The Exxons are good. The Oxys are doing decent over here too. So let's see. Amy, 1668 over here, just kind of chilling out. Wheat halted. I saw that, man. It's weird. CSX is ripping the trains. Yeah, trains are ripping up today. So we got this 1348 cross right here. Whoop, right up. Exxon 2 later, wait for 1348. It just did it. So it's up 2.5% right here. So it did just cross. I mean, I already have the strangle in it, so I'm not doing anything else with it. So I'm going to leave that be. So let's see here. Let's see how this apple Celsius is. It tastes like fizzy apple juice. It's not bad, man. Not bad. Gabe says your crack is back. The crack. The crack. AMC 1666 over here. Yeah, guys, if you do want access to that the training wheel section so you can test out 1348, make sure you check out the pinned chat over here. It's pinned to the top of the live chat or the first link in the description. And check out the Discord. Like, a lot of people are really having a lot of success with this, and I want to see you guys making money. So make sure you guys check out the Discord. 1348 is printing. I don't see anybody else generating these kind of results and returns that we are in our Discord. So just check it out. And like, you can test it out for free with the 5 stocks. Like, come on now. Indo's ripping. There you go. Oxy not doing all that well right here. I mean, SPY puts are coming back to life. So let's see. So if I drop in, yeah, Netflix coming down. Yeah, Netflix is coming down. I'm just not like a big fan because they completely just cucked me on Friday with that move. Whales alert, Oxy puts. I have Oxy puts. So that's fine. Netflix coming down hard. SPY coming down hard. Netflix coming down really hard. All right, let's see. Investing.com. Oil's still coming up. So I'm going to hold this strangle. Halt on Indo. Dude, are these like random oil plays just all halting? IMPP, wasn't that halted? Yeah, this one's halted. Indo halting. Indonesian Energy halted. Like, this is all nuts. Cat, like, they're all halting right now. Let's see. Oxy, what you doing here, pal? All the other oil stocks are going up, and you're saying, fuck it? I don't like that. I'm not a fan of that. Hold on. Lockheed's actually doing decent over here, I think. Yeah, Lockheed's really coming up here. I like this. Micron just crossed down. How much settled cash do I have? A shitload. Uh, 122% on the Exxon, 83% on the Oxy. The Oxy strangle's nice. SPY coming down. Micron probably coming down now too. I mean, it did cross down a little while ago. Now it's starting to move back down again. AMC 1652. SPY moving down again here. See? So look at this. So it blew right past this 13 EMA and then just right down. So, I mean, this could have been a really good scale in. I just don't want any more contracts. I don't want to spend any more money on it. Which is fine. I mean, it's trading what I'm comfortable with. Carl Icahn announced it was dumping his stake in Oxy. Yeah, that came out yesterday, I think. Yesterday or 2 days ago. You just made 1,000 in 1 minute on IMPP. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right, oil. Oil's running. So, I mean, I'm going to hold Oxy. CEI's up 40%. Yeah, that's a Zach Morris stock, I think. Yeah, this thing's running up pretty good here. SPY bounced up off the low. Lockheeds are up 15%. All right, let's see what happens. AAL cross out. A lot of things are about to start crossing down with the SPY doing this here. So watch out. Now, here's the thing. If SPY's going to come down anymore, watch 425.50 about is what we're looking at over here on the SPY. So Lockheed's ripping up here. This is CEI right here. George W on BBBY. 20% on Lockheed. Lockheed's running, man. Yeah, Lockheed running up here. Big candles. Big candles. Okay, so the Oxy call side 84%. So Oxy looks like it's coming back to life. Exxon up 120% right here. This is pretty good here, everybody. Looking decent. Spy put time. I have them. I'm only up 4% on them, which is a little weird, but I'm just gonna leave them. They're 0 day to expiration. The premiums are gonna be a little bit jacked up on them. So I mean, I have Lockheed's for today and this week. I honestly might hold it. I only have one because it was so expensive. IMPP back to squeezing. Yeah, this thing's on a moon mission right here. So where's Oxy? Come on, go. No, man, it doesn't like it. Oxy does not like this right here. Very weird. Oh my god, and oil's ripping. I'm holding this. This is what happens, man. This is kind of why I have the strangle on it because you're gonna see. All right, Spy's coming down pretty hard right here. Spy contracts are up 16%. The Lockheeds are up 25. That's a lot of money. There we go. AMD cross. There you go. Yeah, Micron coming down hard? Not really. What was coming down hard? Netflix was moving down really hard. If you got that cross, you're probably doing good. Yeah. Let's see. I think we halted because it ran out of shares. I mean, it's and filed with the SEC Friday to get more. Whoa, that's kind of wild. All right, Lockheed's doing really good over here. I mean, we're making this is a good day so far. So let's see what happens. I'm very relaxed about trading today. I'm trying not to overextend myself with these trades. Yeah, CEI was ripping pretty good. So Spy's coming back up here a little bit. I've just got the Spy puts as like a little hedge just to see if things are going to capitulate throughout the rest of the day. Don't have very much money on it, but I think Spy's got a very good potential to come down. It's probably testing the 13 EMA right here. Hold on. Like this is probably what Spy's doing. It's testing the 13 EMA on the 1 minute. Not yet. I mean, but it could come up there. Tesla probably coming down. There's an article on Wheat on Yahoo Finance. You want to check it out? Maybe. Yeah. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much to those of you who have already done that and who are about to. That's really the only thing that I ask for. Thank you guys so much for all your support, though. I really appreciate that. You're up 25% on DraftKings puts. There you go, buddy. I'm up. Oh shit! How did these just spike? 40% on Lockheed's. Damn, son. Spy trying to move back up here a little bit. Oxy, I think it's just gearing up. You're up 100% on Clove. There you go. All right, what do we got on oil? It's coming up to 119 on WTI. Brent's at 123.15. Like it's coming back up. My cost basis on Fidelity doesn't work at all today on any new trades, making my job harder. Oh, that's weird, Ben. That's very strange. All right, these Lockheeds look good. Let's see. This is the 1 minute on the Spy over here. So I think it easily could come up and test this 13 EMA again, or even the 25 and then come back down. The Spy contracts that I have are up 8%. The Lockheeds are up 35. The call side of the Exxon's up 128%, so the strangle is fine. The Oxy strangle is actually very green because the puts are only down 9% and the calls are up 75. So that actually is looking really good over here. Micron is fighting the fall. Yeah, that's why I'm not touching it. Micron's been showing a lot of strength recently. Neo dropping hard. Damn, I wanted that. No cross coming down to that 13 EMA on the 5 minute. Are you concerned about Exxon's RSI approaching 70? No, I have the strangle on it. I'm not trying to. I mean, not really. It could cool off and then continue to come back up. That's fine. I mean, the call side's up 122%. It's more for like this week is kind of what I'm looking at it for. All right, Spy puts are up a little bit. The Lockheeds are up big. Lucid is struggling. Yeah. Or text tweet on Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's take a look. Yeah, they just disclosed the situation of what's going on. Let's see. Spy coming down again. Exxon coming up. There we go. Lockheed. What do we got? Dirty. Ford sucking. Well, did it get a little shark fin this morning like all the other EVs? Not really. Ford is crossing down now pretty big. So let's see what happens with SPY here. I don't know. I don't think there was any news on Ford. I mean, it's down 2%. Let's see. News. Tesla will sell car insurance. Oh boy. That's interesting. 130% on the Exxons. 63% on the Oxys. Oxy's just kind of flickering here. Yeah, I don't know what Oxy does. Ben, this is the thing with Oxy. It does this. Like oil will be ripping up like this, and then Oxy will just sell off. It makes no sense. So I'm holding the strangle because I think it's bullshit. But we'll see. Yeah, I saw the Ortex tweet on BBBY. It's just the information that we already know. There's nothing new in the Ortex tweet about Bed Bath Beyond. 37% on the Lockheed, 10% on the SPY, 131% on Exxon. Like, I think Oxy's just kind of cooling and ready to like waiting for the buyers to step in on it. So we'll see if Warren's gonna come in here and slap the ask, which would be nice. A firm crossing down. Yeah, I bet it is. The premium's crazy on it though, I bet. So I don't really want to touch it. I would play Square or something like this. Like I don't think a firm is gonna really be like look at the premium on a firm. It's a $34 stock and the contracts are $200 at the money. No, thank you. Lockheed looking good. Who saw 138%? Damn, should have held it, man. Should have just diamond handed that thing, right? All right, let's see. Oxy started falling right after about a call. Sorry, typical shit for me. God damn it, Daniel. Why have you done this to us? Can't believe you. It's all your fault. It's fine. My strangle is still up big. And I think oil is going to continue to go up, which is going to benefit Oxy. So it's fine. I also have the Exxon one, so we're good to go. Yeah, SPY did cross down. I do have SPY contracts right now. They are up like 4%. That's what I'm at on the SPY. If I'm using a cash account and I've settled cash, I can be in and out of play the same day without taking any sort of PDT or good faith violation. Yes. If you have settled cash, you're good to go, Andrew. Verizon's up. There you go. Thoughts on Rivian? I mean, it's an EV play, so it could be all right. I mean, I like it long term if they're going to get all those Amazon contracts. All right. The SPY contracts are doing all right. Let's see. Amy, what are we looking at over here? AMC is just kind of hanging around this 48 EMA. It's looking for that 1348 cross down, which isn't the best. The new guy. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. SPY calls for Friday 441 should be okay. No, I'd be careful. I would just be careful. I'm not going to YOLO on the SPY. If you want to do a strangle, that's not the worst thing to do in the world. Like I'm looking at strangles across the board. Like if I'm going to do something, it's going to be all strangles. 142% on the Exxon. Dude, how is Oxy not reacting to this? This is craziness. And then the puts are still red, which, I mean, it makes sense, but they were just green. Lockheed coming up again. Pretty much all small and mid-cap options are jacked because they're yeah, I mean, pretty much. Verizon's about to go. Okay, you guys are really calling out Verizon over here, but Verizon can shark fin on you, so be careful. Verizon's coming up a lot here. That's a big move. I'd wait. I think Verizon easily is going to settle down and then come back up, so be careful on this. This is kind of what you see now with a lot of these stocks. Look at this, 54.50 up to 55.23. It's ripping. You get that 1348 cross, but it easily could have a little cool-off, sell-off before it wants to come back to the upside, so careful. You can scale into it. You can do whatever you want. Like, I'm not here to tell you what you can and cannot do. But I'm not taking this Verizon right here. Just give Oxy a second to forget about my purchase. Okay, Daniel, that's fine. I mean, you need to give Oxy some Oxy so it can just forget, you know? Lockheed. Damn, man, that's a dirty one. Should have bought more contracts, but that's okay. Why did they suspend wheat? I honestly don't know. I haven't seen any news on it. I haven't seen anything crazy. Let's see, SPY coming up. I have that on the 1 minute over here. The spot. So I'm watching these 13 EMA tests on the 1 minute, seeing if it's going to make a new low. Wow, 157% on the Exxon strangle, and freaking Oxy just doesn't want to do its thing over here. Exxon ripping over here. This is craziness. 68% on Lockheed. There you go. I'm up 40%. So, Occidental, get your shit together. Go. Exxon still looking strong? Yeah, man. Gold's ripping. All right, watch SPY start to move down here. I mean, I have the SPY puts. I don't want to overextend myself today. I don't want to like swings for the fences and have all these like crazy positions out there. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. They ran out of shares for wheat because so many people are buying and no one was selling. They filed to issue more shares of the SEC on Friday. That's crazy. That is actually crazy that they've done this. Yeah, they're gonna just halt it until they complete until they get the shares, I think. That's insane. All right, SPY new lows over here, contracts printing. Nice. Lockheed's getting a little bit of a sell-off on that, I think. I don't know. Lockheed's premiums are stupid wide, and the spread's stupid wide. Yeah, coming down a little bit here, but I'm not too worried. SPY's coming down pretty hard. Woo! Woo! There it goes. Let's see. Super Chat Jack? Josh. Are you new here? Do you not understand what we do around here? That like people don't have to do that if they don't want to? Like, what are you talking about? You were spot on with Verizon. Yeah. See, right back down. Just be careful with it. SPY will close green. I don't know. I don't know about that call. I don't know. I think I got the inverse of it right over here. 1348 on Amy. Yeah, that's not good. Probably going to come down a little here. All right, still up nicely on the Lockheed. All right, we're up big on pretty much everything right here. Took 125% on Exxon. I'm up 161% on the calls. That's pretty good. Let's see. Lockheed chilling here. That's probably the 13 EMA. Yeah, it's right around there. Let's see. SPY. What's the 30-minute on Lockheed look like? Crossover? No, not yet. Let's see. Riptide, thank you so much for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Hey everyone, if you know Grandpa Barney, send him a prayer. Health issues have him down, and he could use some love. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys keep Grandpa Barney in your thoughts. I think he's having some health issues right now, so that's not good. Grandpa Barney's always in here being supportive. I'll try and shoot him a message. I think he's on Twitter too. SPY's coming down pretty hard here. Lockheed's holding nicely though. Oxy being an asshole. DLT booming. Is it now? Isn't it? Not really. I mean, my strangle's slightly red. Exxon, 174%. Jesus. I want my oxys to be up 174%. Is that too much to ask for? Huh? Is that too much to ask for with oil ripping right now? 119.53. Is that too much to ask for, Occidental? TLT ripping? Yeah, watch out below on the SPY if TLT is going to go crazy. Like, if TLT goes crazy, yeah, TLT. Oh, yeah, because TLT's still red over here. If TLT starts to go green, watch 142, honestly, on TLT. That's a big level that it's had. Do you think I'm too late for SPY puts? If it comes up and touches this 13 EMA again or the 25, that could be a decent time to enter. That's when I've thought about buying more. Lucky looking good. Can you do a shout out to no. SCV got wrenched. No, I cannot. 158% on Exxon. There you go. My Friday call for X had me at 150% today. There you go, man. That's a good thing. That's really good. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out getting this info out to some more people. Thank you guys. I mean, I really appreciate all the support. Hopefully you guys are making boatloads of money today, especially with the Exxon. Boom. Oxy being a little bit of a shithead, not gonna lie. Like Oxy's not being very nice to us. Can you check out the weekly SPY 1348 cross down in the near future? I mean, that's gonna be a little late. Like, this is late over here. Like, you can kind of see it. It's right here coming down. I wouldn't use the weekly on it. It's a little late. I mean, you can see the daily is like way back here, and it's done nothing but come down. Yeah. SPY, watch it at this box. If it comes down to this box and starts bouncing, that's when I'll probably get out of these SPY puts. Happy National Squirrel Day. Is it National Squirrel Day? That'd be pretty cool if it was National Squirrel Day. Lockheed. There it goes. Ukraine talks with Russia are starting. Oh, brother. 30% on SPY puts, 40% on Lockheed, 164% on the Exxon call side, and 60% on the Oxy call side of the strangle. And the put side of the Exxon is down 49%. The put side of the Oxy is down 10%. So that's what we got right now. That's what I have. Squirrel, what's up, man? How you doing? Anything on BB? I don't know. Probably not. BlackBerry? I don't know. I mean, it is crossing down here. So watch out below on that thing. SPY moving back down. Could you check Apple? It's probably coming down. It's probably either getting or about to get a 1348 cross down. Yeah, so Apple looks like it's about to cross down. SPY just doesn't look great right now. I mean, is this the 1 minute? No, that's the 5 minute. Damn. Let's see. VIX is not moving as SPY falls. 200 floor on Oxy. Dude, it's just, I mean, Apple's coming down pretty hard here. It's just not bouncing hard enough off of this. Like, it's just right here, and it's like not doing anything with oil. Oil came down a little bit here, 118.69. First play using 1348, straight crushed it on the QQQ put. NBC, did wheat come back? Or is it? No, it's still suspended. Still suspended. Sent to the principal's office on wheat. You're going to take half my puts off at 425? Me too. Well, the end of my box down here is 425.50, 425.70. That's probably where I'll start getting out. I only have 2 contracts. I didn't go very big on the SPY. So we'll see what happens here. I mean, the Lockheed's probably my biggest position right now. That's up 32%. I mean, technically it's the Oxy strangle, but that thing's being stupid. All right, SPY's moving back down again. All right, SPY's moving down. Let's see. Hold on. 35% on the SPY put, 30% on Lockheed. Be off at 1. Okay. 162. All right. Look at this. This is so perfect, and it's so annoying. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It literally comes down. It bounces perfectly at this zone right here. Literally touches it and whoop, right back up. This is number 1 bullshit. All right, Lockheed, what's going on over here? Lockheed looking good. Oxy probably looking like shit. It's bouncing. It's bouncing. All right, hold on. Hold on. I'm texting TMI and Gabe. Oxy trying SPY knocked right back down. Let's see here. CVX crossed up. Chevron. Yeah, it's about to. It's about to. I mean, I already have a lot of oil play. So explain the 117% institutional ownership on BBBY. Yeah, there's a shitload of short interest on it. So you essentially have to add 20% to the float on top. So now if the institutions, and then they keep doing it and they just keep filtering, and it just keeps getting loaned, then it can get to that high. But again, it shouldn't be, because that would suggest naked shorting. You can check the short exempts on it too. Oxy's just being an asshole here. Hold on. Let's see here. Not trading this week, just stopping by to drop a like. Tabasco Dave, appreciate that, man. All right, let's see. Oxy's just being a shithead. Okay. Oxy's just being an asshole. Where's Exxon? Dude, Exxon looks so good, man. Where's Lockheed? Is it new highs yet? Nope. Buy back down. It's gonna. I mean, I think it's gonna break this zone. That's why I'm holding these puts. I mean, what are these up right now? 24%. That's not bad. I'm about 24% on the SPY, 24% on the Lockheed, 150% on the Exxon, only 45% on the Oxy. So let's see. Mullen new high. There you go. Like number 966. Hugh, appreciate that, buddy. All right. Mullen taking off. Yeah, Mullen coming up for new highs over here. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back. This is probably the blowing through the 13 a little bit. Yeah, it's testing this 13 EMA right here. Let's see. All right. You thought Micron tracks the SPY? It does. Everything is gonna end up at some point generally tracking the SPY. That's just how it works. It's SPY's going to be one of the largest. All those other ETFs are going to move with it, with that algo. Yeah, SPY does not like these tests of the 13 EMA over here. You think X can have another good push later? It depends. It depends. Oil 118.20. Well, at least Batman I did good. I know there's no such thing as a good catalyst for MC more, but hey, could have been a bad catalyst. True. True. I mean, this is just the market freaking out. We're down 25 cents, 1.5%. This is nothing right here. You like the stream 3 times? Subi. Appreciate that, buddy. Oh, UK Prime Minister Johnson says energy sanctions are very much on the table. Oil should move up on that. Exxon dropping. It shouldn't be on that. It should not be dropping off of that. Oxy coming down. I don't know. TLT on the move up. Yeah. Let's see. Tilt. Yeah, TLT coming up. SPY should come down. I agree. That's what I see over here too. LMT. I'm gonna hold this Lockheed just because, just for fun. All right, 41% on the Oxy call side. Your Oxy went red. How'd you do that? Yeah, Exxon coming down, which I don't understand a whole lot why. If Boris Johnson's sanctioning energy and oil's not moving right now, it's not moving. It's still at the same price from what I see over here. You might have just sold the top on Exxon for now. For now. Yeah, Lockheed's coming down a little here. Let's see. New candle's about to filter in. Unless this is the new candle. No, that is the new candle. All right, so Lockheed's coming down to test this 13 EMA on the 5-minute over here. That's fine. Don't forget to hit the like button. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Yeah, for now, I think oil's still going to come up. Yeah, oil's back coming up a little bit here. So I'm not trusting the little sell-off. I think there's still upside left in oil. Amy coming down now, 16.21 over here. GME flickering around. I think Exxon cooling off for another rip, bouncing off the 13. Yeah, Exxon coming back. Probably is. Probably is, man. Exxon, I mean, I just think that's a bullshit move. M. Kriegs was right, too. What happened? Looks like True Dimon might be right. Mullen on a moon mission doesn't care what the spy is doing. Ooh. I mean, M. Kriegs was the first one that talked about Mullen. 18% over here. Yeah, SPY back down. These puts are looking good over here. Mullen, right as we say that. Big red. Let's see what Lockheed does at this level here. Because it likes these 13 EMA tests before it wants to get going on the 5-minute. So let's see. Oil can rise overnight. And as we've seen, yeah, I think oil's going to be, what's it at right now? Yeah, oil's ripping right now. So watch out. Where's Oxy? Back up. It's like back up to 119. Here it comes back to the upside. Lucy is playing games with me. Yeah. Oxy's being weird. I'm just gonna kind of hold it, see what happens. Glad I didn't buy Mullen at $8 when I started watching it. Me too. Micron's still in a downtrend. I bet it is. I'm watching the SPY on the 1-minute. Just wait, hold on. LBMA suspends 6 Russian gold refineries from good delivery list. Look at this. Look at this. 1348 cross on gold with a candle on that one. Look at Tusk. Oh, this thing's coming up. Amy coming down. Walmart. Oh, shit. Not again. Walmart, 1348 cross. It's up 34 cents on the day. All right, SPY's just kind of hovering here. Lockheed, how's this doing? Lockheed. Let's see. Are those red now? 200% on Walmart. There you go. Are these Lockheeds red or are they still green? Lockheed's still green. 22% on SPY. Exxons are good. I mean, the Oxys are still fine. Oxy needs to stop playing games. I 100% agree with you. Like, I agree. DraftKings puts printing. Good for you. We were looking at that earlier. It didn't get below. Yeah, there it is. We were watching it around here. It didn't never got the cross. Now it got the cross. So good for you if you hit that DraftKings put. Told you Exxon was just cooling off for another run. Yeah, I think it should be like oil's now at 119.24. Oxy's just being a little bit of a shithead, not gonna lie. Coming up to new highs over here. Let's see. Lockheed bouncing off the 13. People are getting greedy on what? Uber puts flat. Nah, that's no fun. All right, so here's what we're looking at with the SPY today. On the 1 minute, it's doing these 25 MA tests and then making new lows. So let's see what happens. The last time it did it, giant candle. Last time it did it here, big candles. You did it over here, big candles. So let's see. More news coming in. Putin's actions are illegal, unprovoked, and dangerous. All right, thanks for letting us know, pal. All right, let's see what we got over here. Amy trying, SPY, see, rejected. Rejected. Let's see here. Apple probably coming down. Yeah, SPY keeps rejecting that 13. I mean, it keeps coming back up to it and then rejecting right back down. Lockheed holding up over here. Oxy, what are you doing? Oh, Occidental. Just bought another Lockheed option. Good luck, man. I mean, they're really expensive. Tom P, thanks for being a member, buddy. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I mean, you guys know the deal around here. You guys don't have to send in supers if you don't want to. You guys don't have to become members. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys are giving all the time. I really, really appreciate it. Tom, keep doing all you do, SV. Thanks for the 1348 strategy. Made a lot of profits and got an extra 490 AMC from the profits. Holland is holding strong. There you go. Tom, I really love to see that, man. Yeah, guys, if you want to get in on this, it's linked into the top of the chat. You can get some of the alerts for free. Make sure you guys check it out. Hit that like button. They're shorting us into the ground. Yeah, I mean, Oxy's coming back up here a little bit. Where's Lockheed? I mean, that doesn't look bad, man. It tests this 13 and then comes up. It's usually pretty volatile. Wheat is ripping. Oh, it's back. Yeah, wheat's back. So wheat is now no longer suspended. Tusk is Texas oil and gas, just heads up. Okay, increase. Thank you. All right, wheat is just flickering over here. All right, so SPY's doing this stupidness at the 25 MA again. SPY puts 17%, 170% on Exxon, 56% on Oxy. Where's oil right now? 119. SPY just like staying in the zone. Yeah, well, until it doesn't, like right now, and then it just goes whoop right down. Shill City in the chat. What are the shills saying? If the shills could just like trade some 1348, make some money on the side, nobody would freak out about AMC anymore. They'd be like, all right, cool. I'll just buy more. You're up 100% on Oxy. There you go. I mean, I'm up 62% on the Strangle. The puts are only down 12% right now. 172% on Exxon. Woo! 13% on Lockheed, 29% on SPY. I mean, here comes SPY back down. Squirrel. 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 It's coming. It's coming. My stomach is grumbling. Let's see. Wheat back. Yeah, wheat's right here. Oxy. Oxy needs to get above this 13. SPY is coming down pretty hard here. Hold on. Watch it right here at this box. This is the box. 5-minute MACD. Still red. Let's see what we get over here. 3 SPYs trades today. All puts. There you go. Got to change the ink on Micron. Yeah. All right. GME's coming down. Oxy's still looking good. Where's Lockheed with this? There it is. Back up. Back up. All right, let's see what we get. CSX looking nice. Yeah, the trains. Neo falling off a cliff. Yeah. Okay, so this is the second time that SPY has come down to test this lower end of the box over here, and it just bounces right off of it. So if it breaks through this, it's going to come down really hard, I think. So let's see what happens around here if it wants to come down and break this zone. It hasn't even flickered through yet. So this could just be a massive sell candle that comes in out of nowhere that we just don't see coming. So watch out for that. Why is AMC selling again? I'm gonna try to avoid to smash my face on the corner of my desk over here, like the pointy part. But the SPY is down 1.5%. The market's down. That's like I'm trying to avoid the head smashing, but Lockheed's coming up, SPY's coming down, Amy's coming down with the market. That's just how it works. BBBY, is it coming back up? Bed Bath and Beyond. No, just selling. Been selling all day. Selling. 31% on SPY, 21% on Lockheed, 141% on Exxon, 53% on, hey, Exxon. All right, GB's coming down. Let's see. So the fact that we bought all the shares doesn't mean anything. We've had all the shares for a while. Puts are printing on BBBY. Good for you, man. All right, Oxy still bouncing off this 200. See, SPY back up here. Let's see if it rejects at this 13 and then starts to move down with some momentum. I mean, it's just, is that a new low? No, it's not a new low, but this is just, it just wants to bleed. So let's see what happens with it. LMT. And it looks like it wants to go here. $1,000 on wheat. There you go, man. 350% now on Walmart. There you go. Mullen's ripping. There you go. Amy flickering. Bought more shares of AMC. There you go, man. Hopefully that was with some 1348 gains. Do we have T0 yet? No. All right. 15% on SPY puts, 23% on Lockheed calls. Exxons are good. Oxys are good. So, I mean, let's see what we get over here. Mullen rug pull. It's going to be volatile. You got to be fully prepared to hold through some of those crazy Mullen moves. All right. SPY's coming up to test this 25 MA again. It just keeps doing this on the 1 minute. Like, it's just like, all right, it'll come up and then just get knocked right back down. So let's see. It's just slowly making its way down into this range over here. So Lockheed, what do we got here? SPY, it's trying to move up here a little bit. It's trying. Mullen's ripping again. Yep, Mullen back up here. SPY back down. I've taken 0 profits today. Not yet. Mullen's coming up hard, though. 22%. There you go. Well, tried the 1348. Got my first ever put. Happened to be on Apple using 1348. So far, I have to say I'm impressed. Dustin, I'm not going to, like, tell you to, like, learn a strategy. That's shit. Like it's just not gonna like I will like the reason why I talk about it so much and I try to get you guys to learn it so much is because it works. That's the thing. It's like it works, and I want you guys to be able to crank with it. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, man. All right, let's see. SPY making its way back down. This is Mullen's ripping over here. So what's Oxy doing? 57 still? 50. Yeah, this thing sucks. Exxon. Coming down to that 13 LMT. How's this doing? And looking good over here. Tim, woo, coming in hot with the supers. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Are you doing an Oxy Strangle this week? Yeah, I got it on Friday. Oh, here comes the SPY to the downside here. Let's see what happens at the box here. So it's getting eaten up out of this box. Let's see if the sellers are going to be able to push this thing down a little bit more. Yeah, they look like they got it here. If this gets a 1 minute MACD cross to the downside, what's it look like on the 5? Yeah, this just looks like it's going to bleed. Let's see. Yeah, new lows on the SPY. LMT still seems to be holding up. Yeah, because it's just fear move in the overall market. We haven't even gotten that MACD cross down yet. If it starts to get some candles, Lockheed's going to go. That's why I have it, because it's just like the technical 1348 crossed and just go. Like, that's essentially what it is. All right. See, SPY likes this lower end of the box over here. Verizon going again. Up. Yeah, see? Dude, we called that to a T. Shark fin on Verizon then starts to come back up because it's already made a move. These are some of the little tips and tricks you got to, like, start to figure out on 1348. Like, not all of them you can just willy-nilly throw money at. Like, this one right here, you would have gotten sparked if you bought it up here when it crossed. SPY got you. I'm up like 30% on the SPY probably. 30% on the SPY. SPY did not get me anything. LMT. Oh, here comes Lockheed again. Yeah, you definitely nailed that one. Yeah. You got 2 LMT calls and didn't realize I don't even have any day trades left. Ah. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. All right, SPY's peeking its head down below here again. Switch to 920 EMA method. I have a little video last night, 5 for 5 today. There you go. Yeah, so watch out with that. You might get head faked a little bit more. It should be a precursor to 1348. I think that's why we have it there. I haven't gotten a chance to look at it yet, but SPY's coming down. Lockheed's coming up again. UVXY moving up. Yeah, this is going to get nasty. What's oil doing right now? Oil coming down a little bit. It's at 118.56. I SPY with my little eye, one hungry Jack. Dude, I am hungry. I'm hungry to steal more money from the market makers while AMC just does its freaking thing over here. 40% on the, yeah, see, Oxy's just being an asshole. I might just hold this. AMD tanking. Dude, look at this. 1348 cross right around here. 106, 104, you printed. Like, this is just, it's too easy. Like, guys, the link is in the top. And you get them for free. You get 5 alerts on 5 stocks for free. So make sure you guys go check it out. There's literally no reason to not try it out now because we're literally giving you the alerts on 5 stocks. So you can learn about it for free. It's the training wheel section. At least it's not flickering. A SPY's flickering. LMPs, are we running here? Nah, not really. UVXY cross up. Yeah. All right. Here comes the SPY. I want a 5-minute close down here. If it closes a 5-minute candle below this box, watch out below. Watch out below. AMC's 5th quarter earnings? That's not a thing. You can't have a 5th quarter. Jim, they're not, bro. They're not. Stop. You're going to make me smash my face into the corner of the table, bro. Jim. Jim. We've been over this, Jim. All right, SPY's coming down a little bit here. Of course, you can have a 5th quarter. If it's overtime, shut up. No. No, that's not how it works. 41% on SPY puts, 20% on Lockheed. Lockheed coming down a little bit here. Exxon slapped in the face. All right, let's see. Do you not have an 8th day of the week over in the US? No, we don't have that over here. I don't know where you're from, but we don't have an 8th day of the week. I'm sorry. All right, so SPY doesn't really want to be below this range over here. Very interesting. BBBY is a distraction. There it is. There it is. There it is. The first comment. Bed Bath & Beyond is a distraction. Oh boy, there it is. Let's see. Context for listeners on what? On all right, SPY's coming back up here. Where's Lockheed? Lockheed Moon Mission. Go. No. Fine. Amy's trying to come back up here a little bit. I feel like the VIX should be at 100 by now. Not yet, man. Okay, you guys are just not following the no nonsense policy today. You're just not. Gazprom creditors say they received payment from bonds due today. Okay, cool. I guess. Oh, Lockheed. Oh, you dirty dog. You dirty dog. 1348 is a distraction from AMC. Sam, that's funny. It actually allows people to buy more shares if they want to. I know you're joking. But people have said that. They're like, it's a distraction. And you're like, I'm just like, shut your mouth. Like, you're an idiot. I'm not talking to you, Sam. I know you're joking. My real name is Mullen? No, it's not. Money is a distraction. It's a scam. Start banning? Nah, it's not time for that. No ban hammers yet today. We're not breaking out the ban yet. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We're doing pretty solid today. Doing pretty good today. Oil companies have a seat at the table for climate change. Okay. Interesting. Whoa. 32% on SPY. Oh, there she goes. Where's Lockheed? Let's see. Let's see. SPY. Whoa! Keith! Thank you for that big super, buddy. You didn't have to do that. Thanks, my man. My Exxon premiums were high and I was just making a small profit. 3 weeks ago, the downturn in Exxon would have given me a loss, but I used the indicator training from the premium live stream videos to get out safely. Boom. Attaboy, Keith. Thank you so much for that super. I appreciate that, dude. Ethan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I was watching the John Stewart's podcast tied to a show. He seems genuinely frustrated with the fuckery, the SEC not being able to keep up in Citadel. Dude, he is. If you listen to the space call with him in it, he was pissed. Like, he was like, this is nonsense. Spy's coming down here now. Is this a closing candle yet? No, not yet. How much? We got 1 minute for a closing candle below here, which is really going to send the SPY down. So let's see what happens here. The SPY puts are up. Let's see, 46%. We're kind of crushing it today again. So let's see what we get. Waiting for those damn boom booms on SPY. I don't know if you're going to get it, pal. I don't think you're going to get it with this price action. Lockheed's holding here. Oxy. Time to go, pal. Yeah, 51% on SPY puts. Thank you. 25% on Lockheed. Thank you. 120% on Exxon. A double thank you. 44% on Oxy, which is kind of fucked up. Not gonna lie. All right, closing candle below here. Let's throw this back on the 5-minute. UVXY new day highs. What's your SPY box range? It's pretty big. I still gotta. I mean, the upper and lower ends are pretty good. We got 425.74, which it kind of respected a decent amount today on the 1 minute. Then way the hell up here at like 430, 450. So this is like a big box that we have. It's like big price action has happened in these ranges before. So SPY is moving down here. Oxy, what the hell are you doing? Lockheed, are you coming up though? It's holding. It's holding. There goes IMPP. Upside or downside? All right, it's coming back up. Where's oil right now? Coming back up to 119. Here we go. Micron crossing down on the daily. Uh-oh. What's the space call called? I don't know. It was a while ago. I don't know if they record them. I mean, are space calls recorded now? SEC is incompetent. Right. They're not going to be able to do anything. My first time executing a 1348 strategy was done on Uber a little bit ago, made 2%, got the FL. I'm such a weenie, but I love the strategy. Arturo, there you go, my man. All right, SPY coming down here a little bit. Let's see. IMPP is coming up. So let's see if the oil stocks are going to move a little bit or the fear stocks are going to come back to life. Lockheed. Oxy. Oh, Oxy. You're really being a shithead today, huh? Exxon. Ooh, Exxon big reds over here. Glad I held on to X is coming back to life. There you go, man. UVXY 1348 touching on the 10-minute. Oh, boy. Oh, brother. Where's Lockheed? That's like the one that needs to save me today because, like, I'm not sure how I feel about it. How much is this up right now? Don't look at X. Don't worry, I won't. Well, it was for it wasn't a it wasn't expiring this week. It was expiring like for last Friday. So I was like, I was just flipping it. GME and AMC getting close to my buy target. Distributed denial of shorts. There you go, buddy. BBBY gonna flush. I think it's possible over here. Lockheed selling a little here. SPY a little bounce. I mean, the Oxy calls and puts are still green. This is insanity. Neo puts up 100%. Ben, at a boy. All right, people. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream as you guys are filtering in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. So thank you guys so much. Let's see. New high on CEI. There you go. Lockheed chilling. SPY. I just think SPY is going to bleed. It's going to bleed. X paying their divvy tomorrow. I think Oxy has X dividend tomorrow or today too. So SPY is not looking like it wants to have any. Is the 13 below here? Oh, that's good. So the 13 EMA now is down below this box. If the 25 comes down below, oh man, that's going to get gnarly. All right. So Lockheed's coming down to test this 13 EMA again. I'm not all that worried about this. If it comes down, it comes down. NASDAQ extends fall, last down 2%. What's the SPY? 1.6. I mean, that's shitty. 60% on WTI calls. Is this like a thing? Is this just WTI? Oh, shit. Okay, maybe we trade this for oil next time. All right, GME coming down. SPY flickering over here. Oxy. Wow. Wow, Oxy. Wow, I was not expecting that out of you, especially with what oil's doing right now. Exxon coming down. Where's oil? Oh, no. This is bullshit. This is nonsense. I'm holding these strangles. They can go screw themselves. Whoever's trying to sell these stocks right now is an idiot in my mind. I'm holding this. 45% on SPY puts, 15% on Lockheed calls, 96% on the Exxon call side, 19% on the Oxy call side, 12% on the put side. This is funny. Walmart calls, Mullen calls, USO calls, LMT calls, SPY puts, micro put. Damn, Ben, you just went gnarly over here. X to be dirty last week. Made up for it today with 65% on Exxon. There you go, bud. SPY's trying to make a move back into the box over here. Let's see if it gets rejected and it gets knocked right back down. On the 1 minute, I would not be surprised if it tests this 25 MA. That's kind of what we've been seeing today. And this is kind of why I have this 25 on there. Sometimes this is going to be the level that it wants to come up to, reject, come back down. So we'll see. Added 32 shares on AMC. There you go, buddy. There was a gap on SPY. It filled at 425.17. Something to watch. What's it at right now? Yeah, it's coming back down. I mean, how many SPY contracts do I have? They're up 36%. That's not bad. Ooh, Lockheed. All right, let's see. All right. 1610 on AMC. Not looking too good today on Amy. Down 47 cents over here. Ooh, Lockheed breaking the 13 over here. Let's see. 2,700% now on what? Smash that like, you people. My name is Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. What's up, man? How you doing? All right. Lockheed selling off here a little bit. SPY flickering. I don't know. I honestly might just hold these Lockheeds because screw it, right? Oxy, no good. Good thing I have puts, too. Because the puts are about to start paying. Here come the Oxy puts. 15% on the Oxy puts, 20% on the calls. This is insane. 44% on SPY. I'm still up on the Lockheed. 90% on Exxon. Yeah, so I honestly have more put contracts on Oxy than I do calls. Same amount of money on each side, but if the puts print, fine with me. Like, I'm good either way. I just don't want it to stay flat. Oxy profit taking? Maybe. It's fine. Up 20% on an Oxy put? Yeah, what are mine? 15. My calls are still up 20. 42% on SPY. Not bad. I didn't go very big on the SPY. Take some money? Not yet. That's not really what these trades are for. The oil strangles are just for big moves in oil this week. Lockheed. I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one. Go! What's up, Nepal? How you doing, my man? Can I give an AMC Ortex update? Yeah, of course. Let me take a look over here. AMC Ortex. Here we go. 100% utilization, which I am going to continue to say is complete and utter horseshit. Cost to borrow 1.22%. Average, we got 20.86% estimated short interest on this thing. 125 million shares on loan and 107 million estimated shares sold short. It's a lot. Let's see if Lockheed can get back above this 13. If it starts getting closing candles down below, I'm out. What are we playing today? I mean, I've got a lot. I'm up already 41% on the SPY. I've got my oil and oil strangles. I've got a Lockheed position that was doing pretty good, and I still think it can do well. It just needs to not get these closing candles down below this 13 EMA because that's going to freak me out, and I'm going to run and hide. So that's what we don't want over here on Lockheed. But, I mean, I'm still in the green on them, about 8% in the green. If I have to take it, I have to take it. Thanks, buddy. Cost to borrow is slowly rising. No, it's not. It's not. My name is Justin Frozen Visa. It's actually coming down. Cost to borrow is coming down. Look at this. Average 1.22. So most of these shares, the max is 2.4, but like the majority of the shares are getting loaned out at 1%. So it's actually going down. That's why I think the utilization is just nonsense. Like it's impossible for that to happen. What's up, ST? Oh, what's up, Vegas? How you doing? Good thing you stayed out till 10, like Gabe said. I mean, you can do that. I just like to get a little something in the morning just to see. I mean, SPY didn't really do anything in my mind until 10:10. So you could have easily stayed out, played the SPY on the downside, and been perfectly fine. So, I mean, what did I do? Well, I got the Lockheed on the cross. That was a good one. What time was this? This was early, like 9:45. That's fine. I mean, it's still in the green a little bit here. 51% on SPY puts. So, I mean, I didn't do anything stupid today. Like, I didn't do anything like completely like dumb, which is good. Is Oxy done? No, not in my mind. No. Where's oil right now? 118.69. I mean, it doesn't matter to me. I just want it to go like up big or down big. I'm not like, oh, I want oil to go up. No. I'm playing for big. All right, that's a shit move in Lockheed. I don't like that. I'm playing for big moves in oil in either direction. I just think it's going to be super volatile and it's going to come up or down. BBY ripping because of covering. Well, it initially started ripping because of Cohen. All right, 40% on SPY now. SPY's trying to come back up into this range. Let's see. It's testing. All right, testing the 25 MA again over here. All right, now the put side of the Oxys is up more, 25%. The calls are up 13. So this is kind of wild. I mean, if Oxy starts to sell off here, I would not be all that mad about. Honestly, I would love to see it. Just print me on the put side. Just tank. Because it does that. It can just tank. SPY's coming up here a little bit. It's rejecting though right here. Where's Lockheed? Amy. Oh, Amy got a candle over here. Little approach at that 5-minute MACD. All right, I don't like this on Lockheed right here. This is not fun. Closing candle below. That's not really for me right here. I do not like this. So we're going to take our little tiny baby gain over here and see if we can steal contracts from somebody on the sell side. Yeah, we're done. They filled me. Thank you. Made like 20 bucks. Nice. It's fine. Done with Lockheed. SPY's coming up here. I might sell the SPY contracts here too. Wait. What? What did I just sell? Guys, I bought another one. I've fat fingered it. I fat fingered it hard. Are you kidding me? Are you? Oh man, you bitch! Absolute. I fat fingered it hard. I fat fingered it really hard. Hold on. No, this is bullshit. I have to take this out now. Yeah, I just ditched it. That sucked. That's nonsense. That fucking hurt. Yeah, fat cut off the finger. Dude, I should have. I hit bot. Damn, that sucks. So I'm out of it, but that was stupid. See, this is why you don't screw around, people. All right, getting out of the SPY too. Let's see. Profit-taking skills are shitty today. Look at this. That was bullshit. That was bullshit. Tito fingers it. Yeah, Verizon cross down. Yeah, mine. SPY's coming back down. I got out of the SPY for a little gain. I literally was about to take a little bit of a gain on the Lockheed, and then I ended up losing money because I fat fingered it. That sucks. So does. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oxy. There she goes. Duck Gang, what's up, XDX0? Here comes the Duck Gang. What's up, Ducks? How you guys doing? You just missed me, B. See, literally, like, within 5 minutes after I said I didn't do anything stupid today, I fat finger the sell on the Lockheed. That sucked. Got to call on RTX. I need some VRAMs to start. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, maybe. So, SPY's coming up here. I got out of that SPY trade for a little bit of money. The Oxy Strangle's good. The Exxon is good. The TLT is good. I got nothing now, though. So, I'm going to wait for a little while, going into the end of the day to see if I want something, but that was stupid. That was stupid. Yeah, because it's closed buy, and I just hit buy, and I, like, hit the button, and it filled me, and I was like, that was weird that it filled me really quick. Can cost borrow be negative? Yes. I was like, that was a bit strange, wasn't it? And then I was like, hold on, why does it still show Lockheed on my screen? And I ended up buying another one. And I was like, fuck. Oil barons here, dude, not gonna lie, I make more money, I think, on oil tanking than coming up. The puts want to go up. Like you can just see it like in the contract pricing. Like the puts, if it starts moving down a little bit more, like the puts are gonna go wild. You think things are reversing right now? Yeah. I mean, I think it could be. SPY's coming up and holding on this 48 EMA over here. I mean, I don't want to hold it through this. I mean, oh wait, this is the 1 minute. I need like food or something. That was bad. I think the SPY sell was bad too. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see what we get over here. These SPY candles are BS. Yeah, I mean, it's rejecting right here. If we get a 5-minute MACD cross, though, it's probably going to come back up. So let's see. SPY looks like it wants to come up a little bit. RTX, is it going? Raytheon candle. Is Lockheed getting a candle? I'm going to be fucking pissed. Yeah, that sucks. You need some liquid IV? Dude, that was just a cuck and a half right there. SPY moving. I'm going to need oil to do something wild. Oxy, that's not what I need out of you. Let's see. BBBY at the 200. I needed some liquid IV. Yeah, I do. Yeah, RTX did get a nice little pop there, bud. Yeah, guys. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Yeah, here comes SPY now. Closing candle above the 13 EMA. You want to make 10 grand out of 300 this week? What's the play? Buy a lottery ticket and hope for the best. I don't know. That's not like I can't just like summon that for you. Mullen new day high. Raytheon's coming up. Mullen hit $1. EVgo and ChargePoint are moon missions today. Yeah, they were earlier. I know EVgo had that cross and was going. Yeah, ChargePoint looks good over here. SPY's moving back up. Where's like Micron? Apple, what's going on? Apple, what's up with this? Crossing? Apple looks all right. Micron, not really. EVgo. EVgo looks good at those highs over here. Where's Lockheed? It always scares me out. It always scares me out, bro. Every single time. Every time. Scares me out. Let's see. And a little descending wedge on this thing. All right. So do you get out of a play when it touches the 13 EMA or across the 1348? Depends on the trade, crypto. It all depends. So Lockheed's doing its thing. But look, if you look at it on this, lower highs, lower lows. It's not great. RTX call for next week, 32 right now. What price, buddy? Those are probably expensive as hell. Next week, what do you have, like the 120s? 115s, not bad. I would have to go on a moon mission, though, here. All right, RTX looks like it wants to go. Where's Lockheed? The ripping back up. It's trying. Let's see. Lucid. Well, you got the 115. Yeah, I have a feeling Oxy is going to run later in the day. Fine with me, man. I mean, I'm chill. What's oil at right now? 119. Like, I'm holding these Oxy strangles. Mullen's moving. Yeah. Let's see. All right. SPY holding. If you watch level 2 and time and sales, you have an easier time getting out. You shouldn't have an easier time getting out, but all right, here's what we're gonna do. So expensive. RTX honestly might be the move. Raytheon's running. Raytheon is running right now, buddy. Raytheon's like running. Come on, don't be an asshole to me, Weeble. All right, let's see. We got SPY flickering around a little bit here. Raytheon wants to get a little spicy. Is IMPP an oil play? Yes. So let's check Oxy and stuff like that going on. Oxy back down. Exxons are good. The Oxys are that strangle on Oxy's looking good. The TLT is looking good. Let's see. SPY back down. All right, GME double bottoming over here. Amy's trying to come back up here a little bit though. Yeah, Amy's getting a little junky. Check out that 1348 on the 30 for RTX. Yeah, where is it? Is it doing it right now? Yeah, doing it in the pre-market over here. What about on like the hour? Yeah, it did it on the hour too. 4 hour. Did it cross? I mean, that looks good over here. All right, let's see. LMT going up again. Fuck that thing, bro. It's either really good or it kills me. It's either like, wait, Exxon CEO, we're going to see tough time in energy markets. Hold on. Maybe not for Exxon. All right, let's see. Riot, what's up with Riot? Riot crossing and coming up pretty big over here. Best Batman ever. It was pretty good, man. Maryland site is down for me, unable to make trades. Ooh, that's annoying. Yeah, we're going to see a tough time in the energy markets. I saw that. That's interesting. All right, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot. Riot's coming up here a little bit. SPY is trying to make a little bit of a move. Where's RTX? Raytheon wants to get a little spicy over here. Indo is insane. Where's Oxy? Is hopefully, I mean, if Oxy's gonna come down, just flush it. Like, I don't want any of this nonsense anymore. Just flush it if it's gonna go. I can't believe these Oxy puts and calls are still green. I think that's insane. Whoa, just out. Batman weekend was 134 million, up 20% from what the estimates were. I like that. That's pretty solid, people. The Dark Knight series is unbeatable. Well, yes, that's true. But this is like the next best thing. It's like the in between, I think, from like the Dark Knight and like these shit DC Justice League movies that I hate. That I like. They piss me off because they're too sci-fi nonsensey. They just don't look. It's just silly. I don't like them. The Justice League, not good. Let's see what we got over here. SPY moving a little bit here. Where's RTX? Raytheon getting a little bit of a pop again. I'm Batman. Here we go. So we can expect a 10% sell-off? No. Watch for SPY double top, dead cat bounce. Where at what? Like here? I don't see a like here maybe. This little bounce right here. Let's see. AMC coming up. It's trying, man. 1646 GME. Not really doing a whole lot over here. CEI still running. There you go. Wow, 51% today on Camber Energy. Woo! There you go, man. There you freaking go. Palantir. I think it's solid long term. It's just a company that it's kind of hard for people to understand sometimes. You're up 30% on the RTX. Yeah, I think I'm up like 2%. Riot, dude, high of the day. Is it going? Dude, I do like Riot when it goes and gets these crosses. Fucking. All right, I gotta hold it though, so I'm gonna go small because Riot does this and then just like does weird things. So nice little 1348 cross on Riot. I don't know. Let's see. Riot does like to get spicy sometimes. And then it just moon missions and it'll shark fin. So Riot, I'm fully fine with witnessing shark fins here just because it does. I didn't go that big on it, but nice little 1348 cross. Mara running up with it too. Yeah, let's see what happens. 25% on Riot. There you go, man. Where's RTX? Is he breaking 103 yet? That's trying. It's trying to break 103. You got rocked on a riot put. Yeah, I mean a little fake out there. So RTX is trying to come up above 103. Spy's moving back up here a little bit. Spy's going up. Yeah, I think things are starting to reverse here a little bit. So Oxy trying, but like it's not. It's just this is how they get. This is how they're gonna get me. If they keep it flat, that's how they're gonna get me on it. 3% on the RTX. I went big on the Raytheon. Jesus. Exxon still looking good. Exxon coming down. Let's see. Rolling above one. Yeah. CEO, USO cross up. Yeah. Wait. I mean, the oil place could start going gnarly over here. Mullen. Yeah. Mullen was looking good. Let's see. Spy looking all right over here. Little 5-minute MACD cross. AMC 1651. Let's see what we're going to get. IMPP broke 7. Jesus. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot. And make sure you have notifications turned on for the channel and have YouTube notifications turned on. YouTube's been messing around with us for a little bit. So, guys, make sure you do that. It's just that notification bell down there, and then you just turn on all notifications if you guys want to get notified when I go live and stuff. Let's see. Meta just hit a new day high. Please don't call it Meta. It's Facebook. SoFi moving. Yeah. Where's Riot? Let's start a riot. All right, let's see here. Riot, probably gonna shark fin. You're taking a break from oil right now? What's oil at right now? 1966. It's coming back up. Mullen over $1. Yeah, Mullen's ripping, bro. Ripping. Does it have a chain? No, it's stupid though. 250. That's craziness. Mullen is ripping right now. Like rippity do. Let's see. AMC about to go green. What's it at right now? Yeah, 9 cents it needs to go. Oh, it's Meta, bro. XYZ. Stop. It's not Meta. I will not let Mark Zuckerberg tell me what to call Facebook. It's Facebook. He's trying to call his like employees meta mates. Like, bro, no, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna call your company whatever I want to call it. Spy coming up here a little bit. Oh, that could mean Riot and Bitcoin are coming up. Not yet. LMT lower lows, smacking head a few times now. Is it now? I mean, I'm gonna be happy. Dude, that fat finger was so stupid. I was so upset about that, but it's fine. I'll survive. I will survive. Oxy, are we running back up now with oil? Not really. Let's see what we get. What else do we have? Riot blockchain. 100% on SPY puts and out. Nice. Metamaterials hit a new day high. There you go. Took profits on oil calls this morning, and then just looking at banks, JP Morgan in particular. Yeah. Out of Riot, quick 25%. I went small on it. I might hold it. Hold it for a while, see what happens. It usually does this, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, guess what? Riot's pumping. And you're like, oh, shit. I wish I didn't paper hand that. But is this a Bitcoin move? It's probably just going to follow Bitcoin, right? Yeah. It's just going to fall. If Bitcoin breaks 40K, it'll just go nutty, I think. SPY going to come back down, says Squirrel. I don't know yet. I don't know about that. RTX, are we going to get this? Oh, there we go, Raytheon. That's what we wanted to see out of you. I was about to say that would be bullshit, but that's the riots that are down a little bit. 10% on the Raytheons over here. This could be good. Pop on Oxy. Finally, bro. Finally. Big one? Yeah, a little bit. It's fine. We got the strangle going. AMC trying to come back up here a little bit. Now the Oxy calls are up 20%, 25%, and the puts are up 5%. Like, this is crazy. All right, let's see. Oxy wants to go. Where's oil? Did it cross 120 yet? Oh, it's close, man. Crude's trying to get above Mullen. Mullen's at 130? No. 103, pal. 103. Just picked up some Apple calls. There's supposed to be good news for Apple tomorrow, I think. If that's a presentation that they're doing, careful. Careful with any presentations because a lot of that's already going to be priced in. Because, again, it's information that everybody knows. So there's no real, like, you're not, like, giving your, like, own opinion on it. Like, it's just stuff that everybody knows. CEI running. Yeah, I bet it is. RTX coming down a little here. I mean, Riot might come back up here a little bit. Let's see. Do I mind checking GME or tags? Of course not. Let's do an AMC one while we're at it. 281,000 borrowed shares. Net borrow, 20.86% estimated short interest. GME, let's see what we got going on over here. Let's see here. Also, guys, for all the new people that are filtering in right now, make sure you guys check out the Discord linked into the top of the chat. We are giving you guys free alerts on 5 stocks, so there's literally no reason why you shouldn't be in there testing it out, learning the strategy. Just pop in there, test it out. You're gonna get the free alerts. You're all good to go. It's free. It's the training wheels section. So then if you want to join the premium and get the big boy alerts and actually step up in the big leagues and take your trading to the next level, then you can. But we have those like 5 stocks that you can test out. So it's the first link in the description and it's pinned to the top of the chat over there. So definitely check it out. If you want to join premium, we'd love to have you in there too. So 17.59% estimated short interest on Ortex for GME. Net return of about 27,000 shares. So, ooh, Amy trying to come up here a little bit. Riot, what's going on with you, pal? Not looking bad. 1348 account is up 48% today. There you go, man. See, that's the thing. Like, I'm not going to tell you guys stuff to try out and learn if it's bullshit. Like, that's not what, like, not at all. I'm going to keep telling you. And eventually you guys are going to be like, oh, yeah, I like that. And it's like, yeah, I've been talking about this for months. Let's see. So Riot's coming up, just made a new day high. That's not bad. SPY flickering around over here. Charge point looking to break test 16. Oh, here comes Riot. Bank of America forecast crude could reach as high as 200 a barrel. Fucking Christ. That's insane. What's it at now? Ah, 120. It just tapped it. It just tapped 120. Disca going boom. I told Disca it's coming time for another Disca trade. It's almost time. Disca got a candle, but it's still below the 200 EMA. I'm probably not touching that. SPY flickering. RTX. It's fine. Day after day, 1,300% last week. Jason, atta boy. See, that's the thing. Like, you guys are crushing it, and I want to see you guys continue to crush it. Riot new highs. AMC on the 1348. It's trying. Amy back into the green over here. Here we go, people. Micron cross definitely below the 200 EMA though. Definitely below. I'm not touching that. Yeah, no. Oh, that's big. I mean, that's $2. That's pretty big. GME struggling a little bit here today. Oxy. I mean, if oil can get to like 125 today, it could rip, but it'd be cool if just once when I cut a loss, it didn't rally back. Well, it depends on what your stop is. And are you buying contracts too deep out of the money? SNMP. Handle. That's a fucking handle on Greeks. Mara faked me out on the put side. Yeah. This one's ripping. This one could halt right here. Just boom, halt. Just give it a minute. If it continues to go up like this, it'll halt. Brent 124.24. Jesus. Rion. So there's a video out there on YouTube by a YouTube channel called In the Money. I think the guy's name is Adam. It's called How to Trade Options on Webull. It's like an hour or two long. It's long, but you're going to have to put in a little bit of work. It doesn't necessarily have to be on Webull. He just goes through how options work and how options trading works. That's a great video to watch before you start learning about 1348. SNMP is ripping over here. Let's see. Riot coming back down. RTX. Let's see what happens with this. Let's see. If it's American Oil and Gas, 113 institutional ownership for SNMP. Oh, Jesus. Oil hit 120. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. Well, it's at 119.86 over here. SPY flickering. Let's see. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind, also hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot. So thank you guys for those of you who have done that. And those of you who are going to. It's all I asked for. Just help out with the algorithm and hit that like button. Cost you nothing to do it. Thank you guys so much. Let's see. You got $79 USO cost for this Friday, currently up 63%. Thoughts on price movement? Depends on oil. I like oil strangles here just because I think it's going to be really volatile. And the IV is going to come up. Does 1348 ever give you false signals? All the time. That's why we have the specific rules. You're up 760% on Indo. Nice. Yeah, Dion, it will give you fake out. Like, you're gonna get faked out. You'll see the shark fins happen, but by watching specific stocks, you're gonna get a little bit better at being like, okay, this is a shark fin, this one's not a shark fin, and you can kind of get your way around it. Oxy's coming back up here. Riot, how's this doing? Chilling. And great minds think alike. Yeah, that one's a good one. That one's a really good one. Last week gains paid for 1 year of the Discord. Thanks. There you go, Lynn. Yeah, Nepal. I just saw Oxy starting to move. There it is. So, I mean, we need a 1348 cross on Oxy. That's really what we need. We needed to get going. It's just not getting the buyers that we really wanted to. I mean, it's done these little pops in the past, but let's see what happens. Yeah, Oxy's running here. I can't. Last week gains paid for 1 year of the Discord. There you go, man. Last week was crazy. Last week was really, really good. SPY looks like it might come down to test the lower end of this box again. How could I have avoided the fake out on Riot? You don't avoid the fake outs. You just eat them and you're like, okay, 20% stop, you're good to go. Like this right here, if you see like these candles start to come back up and then you get busted at this right here, this 1348 right here, blows right through, then it's probably time to get out. Where's Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin. Okay, why isn't it letting me click this? Thank you. Bitcoin just flagging, ready to go. Oxy was my champion last week. Dude, you guys absolutely stole money on Occidental last week. It's crazy. Like, the gains that you guys were making were just, like, completely drunk. Lockheed, fuck. That hurts. My fat finger would have been really good. Where's Raytheon? Raytheon doesn't move with it, though. That's the problem. Like, Lockheed's the one to play, and I just don't want to mess around with it anymore. It's just pissing me off. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to make a bet here. Actually, I'm going to do something smart. I'm going to sell the Exxon call side. And I'm going to use some of that money, maybe. And maybe I'll sell the Riot too if it comes back up. And maybe the RTX and go in on something else. 563 settled. Won't be able to day trade. All right, so I took the profit on the Exxon call side. I'm going to leave the put side there for fun. I'm leaving the Oxy. I have that much money. Okay. I'm trying to see if I can steal something. Squirrel was right again. There he goes. Squirrel strikes again. All right, I need to ditch the Riot, I think. Yeah, bye-bye Riot. The Oxys are looking good. I'm just thinking here. I'm thinking. I'm running through my options here. I need to not get slaughtered by Theta. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. SPY's moving down. This one's just getting that MACD cross. Hold on. Get this out of here. Charge point broke 16. Needs to hold for a few more minutes. Yeah. All right. So here's what we're going to do. Euro close. It's up to us now, guys. All right. So Euro just closed. All right. Interesting. So SPY flickering here. I don't know. I'm trying to make a move. I'm just kind of waiting for something. I mean, I could just do it now. It doesn't really matter. But what's that? 20 bucks, 4%. It's fuck. It's crossing on the 4 hour. All right. All right, this is what we're going to do. Boom. Okay. I got a next week Lockheed. 4 hour looks good. MACD cross. Seeing some craziness in the overall market. A little bit of a bigger bet. I still have the Oxy. Let's see. Exxon running again? That's fine. I already took the profit on that one. CVX shark finned hard. Yeah, they do that. Exxon trying to come back. That's fine. I mean, I already took a big profit on it. If we pass 425 on the SPY, we can go to 419. Yeah, we could, man. I don't have any settled cash left today. I blew it all, which was fine. I still got some plays to manage today. I got Raytheon for this week. That's a decent sized position. I got to take a look at that though and just kind of manage that. I still have the Exxon put. The Oxy Strangle is still in the green, so that one's looking all right over here. Oxy's still coming down. Do you think they're shorting Oxy? Yes. Yes. Well, what's it at? What's oil at right now? And it's only at 119.25. So oil's not making that big of a move. Let's see here. All right. So I made a little bit of a move. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. BBBY 10-minute cross down. Yep. The thing is I don't really want to mess around with Bed Bath & Beyond right now because it could just start to go again. Like you could just easily see it bounce off this 200 and then go foop right back up. So careful with it. SPY is coming back down. Watch the new low on the SPY over here. Yeah, these contracts are going to be a little less volatile, which I like. Let's see. Exxon puts down. TLT. Comcast Peacock now has 70% Glogo REIT. Hold on. Hold on. CMCSA. Nothing on SPY's new lows over here. Yeah, SPY's coming down pretty hard right now. Let's see. It made a new low. Let's see if it wants to continue this trend. LMP, how's this doing? A little bit of a red. Let's see. All right, folks. Sorry. Figuring some stuff out over here. So CMCSA looks like Comcast. So, wait. IEA needs to move quickly to stabilize markets. Hess, SPY moving down here. Lockheed selling off a little bit. Now, do you see the double top on the debt? Yeah, I do. I do. So, I mean, I could have held it through this, but I was just like, I'll take a little bit of money off the table there. All right. Oil. Back to the oil trade. Here comes Oxy to the downside. Care to share with the class? Yeah, I got a Lockheed next week. I got a next week Lockheed trade. A little bit bigger. Hoping that the Oxy hits really big on the call or put side and that just makes it all free. If not, the Lockheed can just make it free too because the Lockheed can just go whoop right up. So it's like a hedge. It's kind of like an overall hedge. It's tying money up for a little bit, which I typically don't want to do. But since I think the market, like Lockheed's looking good on the 4 hour, it looks solid. SPY's coming down. Like there's a lot of things kind of coming in. And again, yeah, it's really expensive. So did a little bit of a dirty move here. Well, let's see what happens with it. So LMT, and it gives me a lot more time to just kind of be like, all right, whatever. Because if I'm trading the weeklies on it, it freaks me out when I get these big moves. Like the next week contracts aren't going to move as much, and the spreads are going to be a little bit different. So that's just kind of what I'm seeing on it. I mean, it's just like very flat right now, which is good. I mean, I think it can make big moves. So I mean, the Raytheon sucks right now. And they also just got a pretty big contract. So rating down a little here. Pretty hard, honestly. So let's see what we get over here. CEI has been fun. There you go, man. Let's see. BBY tanking on that 10-minute cross. I mean, I can't do any. I have no settled cap. It's not tank. On the 5, it's just hanging around this 200 EMA over here. It's not. If it breaks below this, watch out below. It could come really hard down. So careful. The volatility today is crazy. Don't forget to hit that like button as you're filtering in. Roger, appreciate that, man. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on your way in helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. LMT selling off to that 13 again. Whatever. I think it's going to trend up still. 55% second entry. There you go, man. Give some love to Northrop. Not yet. Not yet. Here comes the SPY. X. Oh, is X doing good or is X doing bad? Shark fin. No more steel for me. Never again. Never again on the steel. What's going on with GME? It's just getting knocked down. Wow, it's at 100? Jesus. I'm pretty sure Mr. Buffett bought 55 calls on Oxy. I don't know what date. I thought he just bought a boatload of shares. If you bought calls on it, I mean, that would be crazy. Why is Apple resistant to the SPY move? I don't know. Well, SPY's coming down pretty hard right here. Just picked up a free CEI contract, took small profits all morning. There you go, man. Where does it look like the SPY is headed? I would say 419, 420. If it really starts to get Sally, like it's coming down hard. So steel's coming down. Oxy puts are coming to life over here. Hold on. Yeah, Oxy selling off here. The put side's up 13%. The call side's now down. So the premium's kind of settling in on these Oxys. TLT and SPY dropping together. Ooh, people going cash. That makes sense. Yes. I saw that Exxon stuff. Wait, scope 3 gag cuts? I'm not sure. Maybe they wouldn't cut product. Nobody would cut production. Let's see here. All right, Oxy being a shithead. Let's see where oil is. 119.05. I mean, the strangle still looks good. SPY to 420.69. You might get that, man. You might get it. All right, let's see. Where's Lockheed? Bounce off the 13. All right. SPY to 423. Yeah, I think it could. I think it easily could. Where's RTX? They're selling it. They are selling. DAX index closes in a bear market. Ooh. Oh, I also got a YOLO SPY put with my the last of the settled cash for like $30. That's up like 30% right now. I got a YOLO SPY put for like $30. So we'll see. Trump calls bar slow, lethargic, big disappointment. Okay. All right. The Oxy puts are doing good over here. I think those could be really good. I think this Oxy strangle, I really do like. Like I really like this strangle right here on Oxy. CMCSA put printing. Yeah, see, I wouldn't have, Michael, see, the news that came out on it was call. Like, it looked good for calls. Like, that's kind of what we were looking at over there. But yeah, Oxy's selling off really hard right now. The strangle is going to start really printing here. The put side's up 20%. I have more contracts on it too, so if the premium really starts to go, the put side actually will pay more. Okay. AMC to the moon. I mean, hopefully. I mean, it's trying to come back up here. SPY's coming back down. Oxy's getting slapped in the face right here. Just send it low. Just send it really low. Like if they're gonna dick around with it like this, just send it down. That's what I'm thinking here. Like Oxy, it can really do anything. Oil 118 set. Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes the Oxy. Oh, the strangle's looking good. The strangle's looking really good. 30% on the put side. All right, what's SPY doing over here? Let's see. Ho ho, shiny. Thanks for the super. I appreciate that. No Indo play for you. Not really. I mean, I don't think it has a chain, does it? It's up 76%. Yeah, no chain on it. I mean, I don't want to be messing around with shares. I just don't want to. It's just not for me. I like options better. I like being able to get a little bit of leverage. That's just kind of how I look at it. But I know you guys have been crushing it on it, and I'm really happy for you. I mean, Oxy's coming down, making new lows over here. So I'm playing the oil stuff just through other things. Yeah, like the Oxy puts up 30% right now. I thought CMCSA news was supposed to be good at stumping. I thought so too, but the SPY is also coming down. Yeah, here comes Oxy. Getting ready to buy more AMC shares. Johnny, there you go. Oxy was my biggest play today and the most red. Rude. That's why I strangled it, because I think oil is going to be making big moves. Is it going to be up or is it going to be down? I don't know. That's why I got the strangle on it, and it's printed. It's doing really good right now. So let's see how it goes. Evoy, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Sub STV, my day trading getting better. Second in a row. Green Day, done for the day. Got better with timing entries and exits, reading the momentum. Thank you. Thank you. Dude, anytime. I'm glad you're really crushing it with it. Thank you so much for that super. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, if you want to learn the strategy, make sure you guys get in the free part of the Discord. Just learn something. Like that's all I can. That's all we can do at this point. There's literally no reason for you guys not to be in there for at least in the free part, getting the free alerts and then testing it out with training wheels. Like we should have all of you guys in there. What video, if any, do you recommend for learning strangles? I mean, you don't really need to learn, like, there's not really much strategy going into it. It's just buy calls and puts on either side and hope it moves. You're just playing a big move in either way. So you're basically long volatility. It's essentially what you're doing here. Shoot me a play real fast options. I don't know, man. I mean, Oxy's coming down. I'm printing on it right now. Let's see. These Raytheons are pissing me off. Nepal. Raytheon is not fun right now. Visa puts are printing. There you go, man. Oops. Oh, that is it. So it's bouncing off this 48 over here. That BBBY drop is sweet. Yeah, BBY, watch out below. Did it cross the 200? Ah! Ah! Watch out! Let's see. Yeah, GME got kicked in the nuts today. 101.22. They're shorting the nuts out of it. Let's see. LMT, how's this doing? And it's just coming down again. Let's see. You don't understand limit price when buying options. You're saying I'm willing to buy at this price or lower. When you're selling, I'm more willing to sell at this price or higher. That's all it is. Locky coming back. Oxy probably getting kicked in the nuts, which fine by me. Yeah, 118.42 on oil. It's coming down. If oil comes back flat or even red today, Oxy's going to tank. 600 Valley of Death. Hello. I know, man. I'm still holding. Did you get it for this week or next? I got this week. I have the Lockheed for next week, though. So what I'm hoping is that this Oxy Strangle just goes nuts, and then I'm good to go. Spy, what the fuck? Get out of here with that fear candle. Dude, I love that you guys are using the terms now. This isn't a fear candle. This is like a nice candle back up, but it's probably going to reject at this range and then come right back down. But Oxy's getting spanked. Charge points moving again. Charge point moon mission today. No real 1348 except for the pre-market over here. And then you get this crossover the 200 at open. I mean, you could have taken it on that. That's kind of like where the wiggle room comes in, where it's like crosses in the pre-market below the 200. Are you going to play it off of that? Yeah, I mean, charge points ripping. I wouldn't chase it now, but I have a Lockheed call for next week. So see what happens with it. Bed Bath & Beyond puts up 40%. There you go. Spy moving back up here. Raytheon, what you doing here, pal? Trying to bounce. Could you check Lucid, please? Yes, of course I can. Lucy, what do we got? Oh, Lucy coming back. No cross, but I mean, it is starting to make its way back up here a little bit. I'll see. That's why it was a low play. What I got? Yeah, I went big on it. Not because of you. I just have I have it because of Lockheed, and I think it can go. So what's the 40%? Whoa, 40% on the put side of Oxy now. That's not bad. If it falls anywhere close to my strike, they're gonna print hard. So I have so for this week on Oxy, I have the 50 and the 60. 50 put, 60 call. Run it. That's what I got. That's what we got going on here. I wouldn't get it now because they're really, really volatile and probably way overpriced. What is Spy doing? It's having a disaster. Just having it. It's just pooping its pants. It's got some IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Wheat is trying to come back up. There you go. All right, let's see. Freaking RTX is being an asshole. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I need something to hit over here. All right. SPY moving. Fuel cell. GME. GME little pop here trying to come back to life. All right. What's Raytheon? What's Raytheon look like on the 4-hour? $30-minute cross, then freaking dumb. 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep this around for. No. Stop it. Yeah, that sucks. New lows on BBBY. Yeah. All right, let's see. Lockheeds are doing good. The Raytheons are getting sparked. Let's see. 43% on the Oxy side, on the put side of the Oxy. Oxy. I mean, this is just selling hard. Here we go. Okay. Raytheon. Okay, Raytheon. Okay. I've had enough. Let's see. Screw them. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're not doing that. I'm not being a complete idiot again. This is not happening. This is not going to be another steal play. Discipline. Discipline, people. That's what we need. Did margin calls happen? Yeah. Credit Suisse. A couple of these other ones are sending them out. Oh, Oxy. There we go. There it is. There it is. Send it lower. Send it lower. All right. SPY rejecting over here. Let's see what happens with oil right now. Oil 118.51. It's holding, but Oxy's getting slapped. SCV needs some lunch soon. Soon enough. Where's Lockheed? What's this beast doing? Chilling around that 13. Does all he talk about is call options and pretend he still cares about AMC on the side? Hey, Jay. All right, Jay. Here's the deal, pal. AMC's down 2.35% today. Cool. Awesome. But if you were making money with options, would you really care about what it's doing today? No, you wouldn't. And Jay, first of all, are you going to fault everybody else in the chat right now for making money? Is that what you're doing? Are you against other people making money right now? That's cool, I guess. But like, why are you? I don't get it. Jay, you should join the Discord, buddy, and stop being upset all the time about like AMC coming down, because there's nothing that we can do about it. And if you want more money to buy the dip, that's literally what it's going to do. Let's see. Margin calls don't affect us because they margin call for Russian bonds. Well, it depends on what they were using. It depends on what they were using the Russian bonds as collateral for. Bro, you're triggered. Can you invite me to talk live with you? Honestly, no, I don't actually. No, thanks. Let's see. Amy coming down a little bit. SPY flickering. No, you're going to come in here and do that and be like, yeah, can I come on your live stream though? It's like, no. Let's see. Where's Oxy? There it is. I don't think about the AMC price. She's playing 13.48 for more AMC. Good job. Because it's going to go eventually. And what are you going to sit here and be sad all the time? No, that's not what we're doing here. There's no reason to sit here and be sad all the time if there's opportunity in the market to make money to, one, either take it out and do stuff with it, or two, buy more AMC if you want to, if you're strapped for cash right now. Thank you, Nepal. Appreciate that. Ukraine rejected Russia's demands for peace at this time. Wait, I don't think Russia was demanding for peace. All right, oil's coming down 117.94. Oxy tanking. Let's see. There we go. Print. You should bring me on the live stream one time. Oh, SV Squirrel. I would definitely do that. Just go over SPY. I need Oxy to go back up by Friday. So I don't know. That's why I have the strangle on it. I think that, remember, the whole thesis for the Oxy strangle was I think oil is going to move huge this week. I think it's going to do something crazy. This is a little bit of a reversion play right now, and the strangle's printing. So when I think about what's going on with Oxy right now, oil's up, but it's not. There's some weird things going on with like what they're gonna do with oil. They're gonna try to control these prices a little bit. If they can get oil prices down a little bit, Oxy's just gonna go shark fin right down. But if oil prices start shooting again, Oxy's gonna go above 60. Do I know which one's gonna happen? No, I have no idea. So I have it on both sides. Do I care which way it goes? I don't care at all. Amy trying to 1620 over here, down about 2.26. Spy rejecting off of that level again. Let's see. Let's check Lockheed and then all right, let's see. And then Roblox you were looking at. Roblox trying to cross here, but see, I don't like these. These 1348 crosses I don't like with this chart pattern here where it rips, comes down, flickers around, and then does it. I don't like this because you have this little level here at like 4406 where it's like, okay, well, there's going to be a lot of resistance all the way up to here. Is it going to be able to do it? And two, it could easily come back down because the buyers and sellers are willing to transact around here. So I don't like these types of like 1348s over here. So this is one of the ways that you can like eliminate some of the crosses. Just be like, all right, well, I just got an alert on a cross, but look, it ripped up, came back down. It's flickering around a little bit. These personally for me, I don't really like that one that much. Let's see. It was a temporary ceasefire in Belarus. I'm part of Ukraine's to allow people to leave. Oh, interesting. We can talk tonight in the DM. All right, SV Scroll, I'm down. All right, cool. Oxy, what are you doing here, pal? Little bounce. Mr. Fearos, thank you so much for the super buddy. Having fun with bought this morning at 77 cents, 420 shares. There you go, man. There you go. All right, Oxy looking dead. Spy looks like it wants to come down and make a new low. We got AMC 1618 over here. GME 102.19. Any good food play? Like chicken, oil won't be only play moving and inflation. Yeah, like wheat would go. But like the inflation stuff is just going to start to come down. That's what they're going to try to do. They're going to try to limit some of this inflation. So, I mean, Oxy puts could be good. Hey, STV, I don't know if this is, if it's the less contract liquidity or higher price that I've found easier to trade, but been finding more success in trading SQ, LMT, haven't been touching SPY and such. Any thoughts? It depends. It really is going to depend. Depends on the day, depends on what's going on with the market. Like, Lockheed's a little different. Lockheed flickers around and the spreads can move big and it screws you up. We're not investing enough in the oil and gas industry, says John Hess. Pentagon extends National Guard support near Capitol to March 9th. Okay. Oxy looks like it wants to bleed. So let's see. The Exxon put might come back to life. 67% right now on the Oxy put. So best case scenario here is the call side of this Oxy goes to 0. And then the put side goes boom. Apple is taking off. Will SPY take off now? How is it? Or is it just getting one green candle? Apple's getting a couple of green candles, but now it's coming back down. Now SPY's moving back down as well. So let's see what happens here. We got a little bit down in the Lockheed. Let's see what happens with this. Exxon. I mean, I don't really care about that. If the Exxon put plays, I mean, that's fine. Oxy looking good. I mean, the YOLO SPY put's up 27%. That's pretty sweet. Let's see. Yeah, Mr. Fearos, thank you so much for that super buddy. I appreciate that. Just sucks, says William Davis. What sucks? What sucks? Let's see. Oxy back down. Why is AMC selling off so hard? The SPY's down almost 2%. The market's not having fun today. BBY tanked on that 10-minute cross down. Yeah, I mean, if we're watching it on that 200 EMA on the 5-minute, BBY is going to be handing out lampos after lunch. Big runner. I don't know about that, pal. I think it's coming down a little bit here. Like, it's just done nothing but sell today. Bobby. Oxy, what does this look like? Red. William, what sucks? What's up with Caterpillar? I mean, that's another defense play, I think. Caterpillar. They need, like, tractors and stuff. It really ripped up at open and then just kind of sold off here a little bit. SPY looking like it wants to make a new low over here. Let's see what happens with Lockheed. It's bouncing a little. Let's see. Oxy. Oxy bleeding. Heyo, my work finally got free Wi-Fi. What's up? Nicely toxic. How you doing, man? Yeah, you keep scalping spy puts on the retest of the 25 MA on the 1 minute. Smart, smart. I mean, look at this. It's been doing it all day. Oops, that's the wrong chart. Look at this. I mean, this one hurt a little bit, but test back down. Back here, it would have been really good. More recently, it's kind of been a little new lows on the SPY over here. SPY's coming down pretty hard. Oxy coming back up. LMT. Lockheed getting a little candle. RTX not doing so well, but my SPY Putins are printing. There you go. Yeah, SPY new lows. My SPY puts that I had before would have been doing really well right now, but I do have that YOLO SPY put that's up 50% right now. So that's fun. 63% on the put side on the Oxy. The Lockheed's down slightly. But I still like it going into next week, though. I still like that. You think VIX is mixing vodka in a Celsius? No. Another earthquake. Damn. A lot of earthquakes firing off. Oxy bouncing here with oil. One coming back up. So, I mean, I like the Oxy strangle. 5 contracts at 100%. There you go, squirrel. Up almost 60% on my 424 SPY puts. Yeah, that's what I had. Then I just ditched them for a little gain. I just think Oxy's going to be weak. Here comes the SPY. 52% on my YOLO SPY put. Nice. 70% on the put side on Oxy. Here it goes, man. Here it goes. Or text checks. Gotcha, buddy. GME. Let's see what we got. So for GME, net return of 1,400 shares, 17.62% estimated short interest. What do we got for Amy? So for AMC over here, we got 100% utilization, both BS. 1.22% average cost borrow, 20.86% estimated short interest. SPY down. Oxy down. I feel like Oxy is just going to rip. It's possible. I mean, that's why I'm holding both sides. Micron puts up 50%. BBY puts up 130. SPY Putin's up 170. Walmart calls up 40. Oxy calls down 70. I do. SPY is just making new lows over here. So watch out below on a lot of things. Where's Lockheed? How's Lockheed doing with this? That's not what we want to see. Neo cross down. There you go. Oxy max pain this week, 45. Next week, 40. Dude, if it does that this week, I mean, that'll be a big hit. Where's 118.48 on oil over here? W forming on AMC. Yeah. Let's see. What are the SPY puts at now? 52%. 70% on the Oxy put side. Let's see. Seems like every time I get into a play and sell it rips right after. That's okay. So the way to avoid that with the stop losses is buy closer to the money. And you can go in a little bit smaller too. So you can start scaling in. Why can't the cost to borrow be BS? Because, well, one, you see a boatload of shares going out all the time. There's no decrease in the shares filtering in and out. And how would the cost to borrow be BS? It's just reported. It's like, this is what the cost to borrow is. You bought puts on Oxy on Friday, $57 put for this week, but I got scared and sold it. Now I hold $55 puts for this week. $7,000 profit. Woo! There you go, man. Lethal injection. Jeez. New guy. Check your DM. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Which one? Which one are you? Is that the TD message? Russian securities? Yeah, they're not doing Russian securities anymore. SPY dumping. There she goes. Oxy holding. How's the SPY dropping, but VIX not moving? What's UVXY doing? UVXY is pumping right here. All right, people. Yeah. As you guys are filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Helps out a whole lot getting more people in here. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been really, really, really awesome. Thank you to each and every one of you guys. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Lockheed. Ouch, 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 ouch. Good thing I have calls for next week. Where's our buddy SPY going? Down. You guys need to tell everyone what you exactly get with premium. It's a lot more than I expected. I thought it was just 1348 on the 3-minute. I didn't realize you get all this other stuff. Yeah, guys, the premium Discord is literally those private live streams every single week. We usually do 2 of them every single week, and then we hop on during market hours too. You get 1348 alerts on the 3-minute, I think the 30-minute, and the 4-hour on 350 stocks, and you get crypto, and there's free alerts offered as well. So there's literally no reason why you guys shouldn't be signing up and getting those free alerts right now, and then using it as training wheels before you want to go into the premium section, which is going to turbocharge your trading. It's like, that's the big boy section. Once you're ready to go, then you're allowed to come into premium. But yeah, there's, you guys should you get way more than any other spot. You're going to get a lot of stuff. And then it's interactive too. Like, we're always in there bouncing back and forth with everybody, just trying to make sure everybody's doing good. UVXY is ripping it. 90% on SPY puts, 1348 for the win. There you go, man. I love that. All right. Is Oxy coming down again? Yep. There we go. Yeah, but you get new 4-hour alerts. Oh yeah, the 920 is all there. Yeah. Oh, and all the chat rooms. Yeah, you guys get so much, like the amount of stuff that you get in this Discord. You get 3 of us. You get me, TMI, and Gabe. You get all the private live streams. You get all of the chat rooms. You get all of the alerts, the 920, the 4-hour, the 30-minute, the 3-minute. You get all of them. Made the move-in cost for my new apartment with 1348. Thanks, STV. Mad Hatter. Had a boy, man. We love to see that. Lunch? Oh, it is lunchtime. It is lunchtime. It's sort of lunchtime here. Also, Oxy selling on the news that Berkshire buys. I'm sure that's why the Exxon dump. I mean, how's that put doing? I mean, Exxon's up big. I sold the call side. I still have the put. Exxon, I mean, I have the 80 put for this week on Exxon. I have one of them. The Exxon strangle was really tiny. The live last night taught me $69 worth of knowledge easily alone. Yeah, I couldn't go. I had a family thing I had to deal with, man. I wish I could have been there. I'll be there tonight, though. Also, guys, we are doing that private live stream tonight. So if you want to come in and learn, only premium gets that. So if you want to do that, you're welcome to come join. But I mean, you got to make sure you know what you're doing. So hop in the training wheel section and then go to lunch. William, stop it. All right, guys. So everything's kind of moving around crazy right now. We got a lot of volatility in the market. So I'm going to hop off for lunch for a little bit. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button on your way out, I'm going to be off. I'm going to be coming back at 1:15. Also, thank you to all the mods, all the members, the new members that have been filtering in. Like, you guys are really, really awesome. We are crushing it with trades. Like, the amount of money that you guys are making is awesome. And it's allowing you to hold AMC for longer or even buy more AMC if you want to. That is the main goal with this. And you guys are taking control, which is awesome. So guys, again, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the way out, make sure you guys check out those free alerts. And if you want to join premium and hop in with us on the private live stream tonight, make sure you guys do that as well. Other than that, guys, I will be back on at 1:15 either. Let's see if we can get some boom boom candles going. The market does look a little bit weak today. Still going to be holding the Oxy Strangle. See what happens with that Lockheed position that I have going into next week. Other than that, people, peace.